What's up, people? What's up, people, and welcome back to this amazing new live stream. So thank you already for tuning in once again here to this amazing live stream. And today we will be looking for some more opportunities here in the market. So if you are just tuning in here, welcome to the stream here. We are having a little bit of an issue here because the thumbnail is glitched here. So I'm sending the maker of the thumbnail right away a message to fix this because yeah, it's of course very annoying because this is not the thumbnail that we uploaded here. So that's pretty weird that we are seeing this. But guys, thank you already for tuning in here. Thank you for yeah, of course, joining the stream right now and also already liking the video here. So, of course, absolutely amazing that you are tuning in here. And I see we're already having 600 live viewers, guys. I just went live here. I was trying to fix this, so this will be fixed in a second here. And I see everyone say good morning in the chat. So, good morning, everyone. And welcome that you yeah, just hopped into the stream once again here. Absolutely amazing, of course, that you're doing so. And today we're going to discuss some very interesting things here, of course, with the Bitcoin market. You can see Fibonacci line yesterday absolutely wrecking Bitcoin, yeah, rejecting Bitcoin here. So for now on, still creating a higher low here because yeah, of course, you can see right now still creating a higher low here. So we're basically in an uptrend here because we are reversing the price of Bitcoin to the upside here, guys. So maybe this is right now once again a very good buying opportunity here. So of course, not going to rush into anything here. But for the trading challenge, I will definitely will be looking to open a position here live in the stream here, guys, because I want to open a swing trade position on Bitcoin as well here. And I mean, once hitting this line, this is giving us a very good opportunity here, in my opinion. So definitely we'll be looking for some more opportunities because maybe we are seeing something similar like we did just a couple days ago here. Because here you can see also a little bit of indecision and creating a higher low. So maybe the next hour is going to be also a little bit of indecision and then create this higher low and then reverse once again to the upside. So, I mean, very exciting times. And guys, I completely just deleted my whole camera. I installed it all over again. I installed new software and still it is glitching. So I don't really know what I can do here with my camera. I don't know how I can fix it. So still trying to figure it out how I can fix this. And guys, I know fix cam, I don't know what it is doing here. I also made the resolution a little bit lower because maybe it was because of my graphics card, but no, it is not. And I'm just going to send it back here in my, I think, and after that maybe it will be fixed here. So guys, thank you so much already for tuning in here, and we will of course discuss every single thing here in the Bitcoin chart here. But yeah, maybe we are seeing something similar like here, and maybe of course also creating a higher high. So I mean, guys, you have to know we are right now once again in an uptrend here, and of course in my opinion we are in an uptrend because we're creating higher lows and higher highs. So man, you are being shadow banned once again here, is someone saying. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think so. We just went live here. So I don't think that's very legit here. But I will try and figure it out as well here. But I mean, we will just continue the stream here. But I mean, what we are right now seeing, we are not shadow banned, by the way. So it doesn't bother at all. Yeah, I will buy a new camera, I think, because this is of course very annoying. But what we are seeing right now with Bitcoin, because I will go into the charts, of course, because we are here for the charts and not for my face here, of course. So let me see. Yeah, we are right now creating a higher high here and also a higher low. So basically, you have to look at the trend here. The trend is basically saying, okay, we are in a trend here, so that is not looking bad at all here. Of course, for hourly, also taking a minor dip here, but maybe going to retrace once again to the upside here. But I mean, I'm not feeling very bearish or so on Bitcoin. I still feel very valid here on this uptrend here. I mean, also, this is maybe the third touch that we are getting here, and maybe, of course, this can really show us that we are forming this very strong supportive line to the upside here, and this can definitely push the price higher and higher for Bitcoin. And of course, this previous Fibonacci level around the 50k is holding us already back for a longer period of time. And here you can see got rejected, and just a few hours ago also got rejected once again over there. And that was also the reason why we were getting pushed lower and lower. But I mean, I'm not freaking out here. And I see Joost also in the chat. He is saying Pepper Rover, very cool. So S&P 500 also dumping it. It has probably a lot of confluence with each other. And also we'll of course look at some opportunities here for Ethereum, etc. But first we'll go into Algorand because we have a super chat here from Xihisha. I don't know how I can pronounce your name. And I mean, very exciting times, of course. Definitely will look at Algorand, and also, guys, you have to know, I will look at ADA, I will look at Ethereum and etc. And also, for the fun, I may just this, by the way, in the channel. You can become a member here of the channel. You will get some emojis here as well. So, I mean, that is very funny if you want to do so, of course. Only if you want to support the channel here, but yeah, you have some special emojis if you're doing so. You will get a Bitcoin emoji, Ethereum, Cardano, and once people are joining, more people are joining, I can add more emojis. But for now on, I cannot do it yet. So it would be, of course, very cool if you're doing so. You can just become a member over there. But I mean, let's look at Algorand. Algorand also creating a new uptrend, and also someone is saying, what are your thoughts about FGX here? And also we'll look into that coin here in a second for checker. I mean, yeah, I mean, if you look to Algorand right now creating a new uptrend here, just like Bitcoin is doing, just like Ethereum is doing. And guys, you have to know, Polkadot also performing very strong here. A lot of altcoins are still performing very strong here. And also Cardano, right now giving you a very good buying opportunity to step into Cardano. Because, guys, I will look into Cardano in a second. After this, I will look at Cardano and then Ethereum. Because Cardano is right now looking very strong here, in my opinion. And, of course, also we'll look at FHX here in a second. But I mean, yeah, you can see Algorand creating this uptrend here. Very nice uptrend, of course, that we are creating here. Multiple touches here. So probably we are looking to see a bounce anytime soon here. But of course, once again, it depends on Bitcoin. It depends on Ethereum, how the altcoins will react to this. But I mean, Algorand also looking like finally reversing the trend here. Already for a longer period of time, we are creating higher lows already for the for let's say the past 5 lows here. The past 5 dumps we were creating higher lows here. So in my opinion, Algorand is looking pretty strong here, and I will be looking forward to, of course, trade more Algorand here, because also, by the way, if you go to Vamex, guys, some very interesting things are right now going on with Vamex, and of course you can also use my referral link if you want to do it as well here. But if you go to contact trading, guys, you can see they added more coins here. So they added also, let's see, they added Doge here. You can see it here. They added Doge, and they also added a compound. So you can right now also trade compound and Aave and Doge here on Vamex. So absolutely amazing. And maybe we can trade some Doge, because if Elon Musk says anything about Doge here, you know what happened with you all know what will happen here with the price of Doge, because very nice. So if you want to join me as well here on these trades, you can use my Vamex referral link in the description. It will be, of course, very amazing here. But I mean, Algorand looking pretty strong here. We'll definitely look more into it once the stream is continuing further. But Algorand definitely looking for a bounce to the upside here. Right now trading at support. So let's see if we can really create this new trend line, like we also are doing with Bitcoin and the other altcoins. And also we'll look at FGX, and after that I will look at Cardano, because Cardano is showing right now a lot of very interesting things here, in my opinion. Let me see. Yeah, I want to look at this chart actually. I mean, yeah, but right now, of course, once again here you can see 3 tops here. So we are creating very strong resistance. But what you can also see here, of course, you're creating very strong resistance, but you are also creating an uptrend. So basically, this is saying, okay, maybe right now we are forming this. Oh, and the camera, of course, freaking out once again here. So of course, very done with the camera. We'll fix this. We'll buy a new camera here, because it's just annoying me so hard here. And maybe I don't think that it is the camera, but I don't know what I can do about it. So definitely going to buy a new one. So guys, please, this will be tomorrow probably also. So you have to deal with me 2 more streams here. But I mean, guys, if you look to for Jaker, I can still not pronounce it here, but you can see upward sloping support line. Horizontal resistance line, so that is the ascending triangle that we are forming here. Very interesting what we are seeing right now. Ascending triangle, of course, very bullish bias pattern, and I would like to see to break this candle to the upside here, of course. And in my opinion, it's also very likely to see this coin break to the upside here, so I will be looking out for it. And I'm getting very exciting, of course, because we can still easily break to the upside here. So let's see where we are heading towards, and it will be, of course, very amazing if we are going to go to the upside from here on. He's already too late for ADA. I mean, probably I am. So, I mean, yeah, definitely looking for a breakout. And once you're breaking out here, you can see a sick price target to the upside. The price target can definitely be around the $10 or so. $10 can be a very likely price target that you are probably going to see. So, definitely going to look at that chart as well. But first, once I'm going to ADA, right now going to ADA, guys, very exciting, of course. Test your camera on a different PC. Yeah, definitely I will. Maybe I have to buy a new graphic card here. But, guys, right now, giving you a very strong buying opportunity for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. Also a trading opportunity if you really want to trade Cardano compared to Bitcoin. Right now, perfect long opportunity. But if you want to trade Cardano compared to US dollar, also a good opportunity, because if you right now look to the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation, you can see it is trading on the 0.236 level, and this is a major support level that we probably are going to hold here. So guys, don't be fooled here. You're right now getting a very, very good opportunity to step into Cardano. If you want to scale out of Bitcoin, I mean, right now is looking a very good time to scale out some Bitcoin to Cardano. And of course, no financial advice. You have to know it for Ager. Okay. But yeah, right now looking very strong here for Cardano compared to Bitcoin, in my opinion. You can see right now trading at the support level, and this is definitely giving you a very, very strong buying opportunity. I mean, this is my camera once again glitching here. Come on. Very annoying. So yeah, of course, right now it's giving you a very, very strong buying opportunity here, and definitely I will be looking to open maybe a position anytime soon here, because I mean, I will be the one that will open a position here, and also we will scale a little bit more into Cardano compared to Bitcoin. And give me a second, because it is giving me right now this good opportunity, and I will definitely take it, and I won't I will not just miss this out here, because if I'm missing this out, I mean, this is very unfortunate, because this is giving us a very good buying opportunity for Cardano compared to Bitcoin. So also we'll look at the Cardano compared to US dollar valuation, by the way, guys, because this is of course also a very important valuation. And you have to know, yesterday in the stream, we told you guys, and definitely for a long position, if you really want to enter a long position right now, this is once again giving you a very, very strong buying opportunity. This is definitely giving you a very strong buying opportunity, guys. And yeah, just quickly looking at the chart here, you can see Cardano, I told you yesterday, $1.15 here will be the position that we will be looking to scale a little bit more into Cardano. And guys, by the way, having 1,000 viewers already, make sure to smash up the likes here. You would be, of course, very amazing if you are doing so. So, Forger, I'm saying it correctly, Forger. So, make sure to smash up the likes already. I see only 36 likes away from the 200, and guys, we just started off the stream, so if you want to support the channel completely for free here, will be of course very lovely if you're just smashing up that like button. Will be of course very amazing if you're doing so. So I mean, guys, just quickly going back into the chart here, this gray box, we were talking yesterday also about this gray box, because I told you guys, okay, once hitting this gray box, this will be definitely our buying opportunity, but where we should buy some more Cardano. And also, before the stream started, I already get a notification here from TradingView. Okay, Cardano is right now at a very good buying opportunity, because I set my alert over here, so definitely also bought some more Cardano. Also compare, if you look to the comparison to Bitcoin, looking very strong. If you look to the comparison to US dollar, very strong. So guys, definitely if you want to scale out of Bitcoin and maybe go a little bit more in Cardano, right now is the opportunity that you are getting. And James Holt, also thank you for your £5 donation, and you are saying, might you open a trading challenge order on ADA? Thanks for all. And man, definitely I will be looking for opening a trade here. I will say $1.15 here. We'll right away set a limit order, by the way. This is spot trading. I want to contract trade. Let me go. So right away we'll set this limit order here, by the way. If we're going to see another leg down here, definitely we'll consider opening a trade here live in the stream here. And I will use a 4x because I want to get this swing trade entry in here. So I will also make quickly a screenshot here, guys, because I will also share this in the Discord server. And I will also quickly adjust this here. Give me a second. I have to adjust the thumbnail because the thumbnail was not working here. Yes, should be working right now once again here, so that's very nice here. But also we'll discuss this real quickly here in the Discord server. Let me see. Let's go to trading challenge, because guys, in the trading challenges we will also keep you guys up to date about what we are doing here. So we'll set this limit order for Cardano, because yeah, definitely would like to get into Cardano. Definitely would like to get some swing trades in here, guys. But already having this wick getting created for the swing for the trading challenge. Not going to rush into anything. Just going to wait. Just going to wait out a second. $1.15 will definitely be a very good buying opportunity, and we'll tag at everyone, by the way, because otherwise people are not. They're not up to date, of course. So definitely looking forward to also open a swing trade here on Cardano. And definitely we are going to ride this journey all together. And if you want to sign up for my FMX link here, you are getting $680 US in bonus. So that would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. So if you want to sign up right now, you can use my referral link here. Would be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. And maybe we can arrange a better deal even with Famex, because right now $680 already a very good deal here, but maybe we can make a better deal for you guys, because I want to give something back to you guys. And the thing here is it's just a win-win situation for you and me. You're getting more bonus, and also you're helping me out a little bit here. So very nice. And James Holt, definitely thank you for reminding here. And also we'll be looking for a swing trade of Bitcoin, because yeah, definitely want to get into more swing trades here, because I think the market is looking like that we are reversing right now. Of course, it will be very nice and very strong for the Bitcoin market if we are reversing. I see a nice Bitcoin position to enter a trade here. I mean, definitely once we're seeing another move to the downside here, 48.7k approximately, definitely we'll be looking for a swing trade also for Bitcoin. So definitely keep an eye out on this live stream, because we will definitely look for some more swing trade positions. And yeah, right now still having 6.5k here in account. So I mean, we have to make some moves here, and definitely swing trading can really help us to push the price higher. So yeah, definitely, guys, definitely. Thank you already for all hitting that like button. 240 likes here. Only 60 likes away from the 300 likes. And right now watching with 1,200 people will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. And I don't know why this thumbnail's glitch. And it's back again. So thumbnail's fixed. Very amazing. So yeah, I see here 1k people right now watching here. So thank you so much for tuning in the stream. And I mean, the supportive line right now getting created here. Maybe it is looking like right now that we are getting respected on this line here. When do you get into ADA? I just shared you my thoughts here on the Discord server. So if you go to the Discord server, you can also join our Discord server right away here. It's right now pinned in the live chat, and we will give you all our thoughts here about the market here. So of course, looking forward to see you guys also in the Discord server. Almost 9,000 members in the Discord server. Yeah, we are insanely growing so fast here, guys. So thank you also for joining the Discord server. But once we're going down here, not rushing into a swing trade right now here, not going to market order in here, just going to wait down a little bit here. So what up, bro? Yeah, thank you all for tuning in here. Thank you all for tuning in here. Always like your stream, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jamie, for always liking the stream here. You are an absolutely legend here. And I see 270 likes already. You guys are just always smashing up these likes here. Always motivating me a lot here. And just quickly, also want to go into Chainlink here, because if I flip this to the daily candles, guys, if I flip this to the daily candles, if I get this 20-day moving average in front of me, once again, 20-day moving average, very, very important moving average, because as you can see in the bull trend, this is always acting as support, and since we were below this line, we were in a minor downtrend, just like we saw in January here, or this is September, I'm sorry. But you have to know, right now we are getting rejected once again by this line here. You can see also for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is also getting this rejection, but Bitcoin, of course, can still create a wick, because the previous daily close, because the previous daily close was above this line. So that's, of course, very amazing that we are seeing this right now. But I mean, look at the Chainlink right now, looking like we're getting a clear rejection here on this 20-day moving average. And of course, this can definitely push the price a little bit lower here. In the Discord trade, it is just set in, do anyone know in, oh, sorry, in what chat did you place your order? You can go to the Discord server, and there is a chat especially for the trading challenge. So the chat is called Trading Challenge, and if you go to that chat here, yeah, you can find the entry, you can find my quantity, you can find the exact leverage, you can find the exact entry price. So you just click on that photo, because I made a screenshot over there. You just go exactly to that photo, and that will, yeah, that will be definitely all the information that you will be needing here. So also tag everyone here, so you should get a notification from there. So yeah, that's also the reason why you do want to join the Discord server. But I mean, 20-day moving average right now rejecting the price here. And James Hall donated £10 here, and you're saying yo. So thank you so much for donating me. And by the way, yes, so thank you so much for supporting the channel here. But I just started this this membership here, and you're getting these special emojis. So it would be very cool if you're yeah, of course. It's only for supporting the channel here, so of course, if you want to use it, you can get these special emojis in the chat here. I find it kind of funny, because you have a Cardano emoji, and I would like to add more emojis, but I can only if 2 guys at least have it. So that would be, of course, very nice if we can do so. Check ADA. Definitely already checked ADA. We'll go back into ADA in a second here, because we are willing to open a trade here on ADA. But just quickly looking at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, of course, leading indicator. Bitcoin is leading the market just like always, and also smash through the 300 likes here. And I mean, guys, if you look to Bitcoin, you can see 20-day moving average is very amazing moving average. And you can see previously, yesterday, we closed above this 20-day moving average. And today we closed above, of course, above it. But then we went lower. But we can still create this nice wick on the downside and maybe close another daily above this. And once we are closing this daily candle above this, guys, you have to know it. Once we are closing this daily candle above this line here, this will definitely and maybe ignite the power here for Bitcoin even more, and we can really go higher from here on. So of course, very exciting times what we're right now seeing. And James Holt also joined. Welcome by Crypto Rover. Very cool. First time I ever do this, so it's very nice. So James Holt, welcome to the group here. Very funny. I thought it's maybe nice to get this membership here, of course. So James, thank you for tuning in here. Thank you for tuning in here. Once again, James, you're a true supporter of the channel here. So, very nice to see you, of course. But yeah, right now, just for Bitcoin, do want to see a wick getting created on the lower side of the 20-day moving average. So, once we're going to create this wick on the downside here, we will continue to the upside, of course. But we first have to wait how this daily candle will close. Because if we're going to close below this 20-day moving average for Bitcoin, once again, yes, man, guys, you have to know this will definitely be still bearish for Bitcoin. So yeah, still have to wait and see how this will go here for Bitcoin. And I mean, this moving average is also for Ethereum. Ethereum is just lagging behind so far behind. So Ethereum not even close to this moving average. But if you look to Bitcoin, and you flip this to the 4-hourly candles, by the way, and you get rid of the 20-day moving average on the 4-hourlies, right? You're supporting Bitcoin, so that's nice, of course. But if you flip on to the 50 and 200-day moving average, and James Holt, by the way, can you test for me? And the camera, I don't know how I can fix it. So, James Holt, by the way, can you check in the chat if you have these special emojis? I will be of course very nice if you can use them, of course, because I'm still fixing it and still doing some research with it. But I mean, if you look to the 50 and 200-day moving average, very exciting what we are seeing here, because probably looking to see a bearish crossover getting created once again here. But right now, I mean, yesterday we were saying, okay, probably going to see a death cross getting created. But guys, what you can see right now, this green curve is once again curving to the upside here. So maybe it is going off, and maybe we're not even going to see this death cross coming in here, because you guys all know what happens once we are seeing the death cross in January. Of course, the dump was the biggest amount of the dump was already over once we were seeing the death cross. But yeah, we got this death cross and immediately went even lower. But then we got bought back up very quickly and reversed once again and had a golden cross later on here. So let's see what we are going to see with this 50 and 200-day moving average, because these are, of course, very important moving averages. And of course, a death cross is never good for the price of Bitcoin. Death cross is never good for the price of Bitcoin. So very exciting times here what we are seeing. Regarding to your camera, you are using an AMD Ryzen 500. Try another USB port. Okay, I will try another USB port after this. Maybe it's because of the USB port, yeah. And I'm using a Ryzen 7 here. So, but I mean, thank you for your tip once again. So after the stream, also we'll connect it to a different USB port. Maybe you are going to do it in a second already. But my computer is kind of far away, because my computer is just 2 or 3 meters away from me. So I have to do it in a second. But I mean, this 4-hourly death cross can definitely still happen here. But if Bitcoin is still going to reverse to the upside here, what would be of course very nice here. Let's see how it will happen. And where Bitcoin is heading towards. And by the way, guys, only 5 minutes away till the 4-hourly candle close, guys. 5 minutes away. Okay, give me 1 second. I will plug it into a different set here. Give me a second. So I plugged it into a different. And everything should still be working, though. Is everything still working? I hope I'm not messing up anything here right now. Let me see. I think I messed up something, because you don't hear. Do you still hear the background, by the way? Guys, let me know if you're still hearing the background here. Let me know. So, of course, I want to fix this right away here. Do you still hear the rain in the background? I don't think up. The rain is messing up your camera. Rain stopped. Okay, yeah, that's why. This is once again very weird. Thank you. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I have to fix this after stream here. Right now it's not good here. Only the rain is going. Sound is better. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Whoa, that helped. That helped the sound. Way better. Oh, wait. Wait. Maybe. Oh, wait. Sound is way better. Okay. Right now I want to hear it myself as well. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. No rain. Okay. Okay. The mic is so much better. Whoa. 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 Give me a second. Okay, okay, guys. No rain, no gain. Okay, okay. I will fix the rain in a second here, but definitely we'll go back in the stream here because, of course, we are here for the price action, guys. We are here. Oh, by the way, I see James Holt in the chat with your Bitcoin and your Cardano emojis. So very nice that you can use them. And very nice. You have your Bitcoin emoji and your Cardano emoji. Very cool that you're using them, man. Very cool that you're using it. Sounds way better. The sound is way better. Camera is worse. Camera is worse. Okay, yeah, definitely. I mean, we will fix this after stream right now. We cannot fix this right here. We cannot. I like the rain. Put it back on, please. Okay, I will fix it. I will fix it. Let me see if it's working. I mean, it's very weird how this all works here because I don't know. I don't know. Should be work. I mean, I missed the rain sound. Oh man, why it is not working? I mean, oh, it's working. It's working, right, guys? It's working. Okay. Okay, right now everything is fixed, so we can continue the stream once again here. What indicators are you using? It really depends on the situation, depends on the market structure. But I mean, usually you can see it right now on the top left of the screen here for you. It's over there. So top left of the screen, you can see it right here. It's the 50 and 200-day moving average, the volume, email ribbon. We can check the email ribbon for a second. You can VPVR is also a very good one. But I mean, this is very interesting what we are seeing on the 4-hourly, guys. This is very interesting. The rain is back. Is the rain back, guys? Rain was too loud. The rain is back, right? It's too loud. I will put it a little bit lower here. Rain is back. Okay, I put it a little bit lower. It's rain again. Yes, nice, nice. Oh, some people are liking it. Some people worse now. Oh, people are not liking it. Okay, I will put it very, very low. Okay, I put it very, very low. Okay, this is better, right? This is better. So the rain is very low right now. Because not a lot of people are liking it. Oh, horrible. People are saying horrible. Rain is too loud. Okay, we'll definitely put it lower. Guys, do a poll for the rain. Okay, definitely. Let's do a poll in the rain. Wait, I will make a poll right away here. I will make a poll. Okay, I will make a poll because you guys will be... Okay, share. Okay, I will create a straw poll right away, guys. Let me do a straw poll here. I will pin it in the chat here. It's right now the straw poll is pinned in the chat here. Okay, okay, guys. Let me know what is better. Let me know what is better. I'm using this straw poll. Okay. Very exciting. Okay, let's see what the results will be here. Let's see what the results will be. But I mean, the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, guys. The 4-hourly EMA ribbon is right now giving us this buy signal. And okay, my camera is still glitching. Camera is still glitching. Okay, the different USB port is not working. So that's pretty unfortunate. That's pretty unfortunate. So definitely, I don't know what it is doing here. So let me see what you guys want here. Let me see what you guys want. We created this straw poll, and definitely people will vote to it, of course. So, of course, I will be looking forward to it. And please, don't spam in the chat. I will definitely look in ADA here, but please don't spam in the chat here. But I mean, look at the Bitcoin right now. 4-hourly candles, the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. Fantastic, love a good poll. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's do this poll, guys. Let's see what you are guys wanting. Already 100 votes here. And oh man, for now on, no is the leading indicator. For now on, the no is the leading indicator. 52%, guys. So yeah, if you guys if you guys are saying no, I will disable it. And also, maybe in the next stream, we'll just have some background music here. I will look for some copyright-free music here. But guys, you're saying all no in the chat. So I think, yeah, I want to listen to you guys. I want to listen to you guys. So, yeah, definitely, I'll put it out here. Of course, still have to wait a little bit longer here. So it's still 52 against 48% here. So very interesting what we are seeing here. The rain is finally we are getting a poll about the rain here. Will 88 rise in the near future? Yes, definitely. But I mean, guys, this is very interesting. I also want to go back in the charts, and in a second I will go back and look at what you guys are really thinking about this straw poll. Then we can really see what you guys really want here, of course. But I mean, yeah, look into this right now. You can see EMA Ribbon is also giving you this long signal here on the 4-hourly time frame, and the 4-hourly time frame is, of course, a very, very leading indicator, and also a very important time frame where you do want to look at, because once the 4-hourly candles are saying, okay, right now you are really need to long here, I mean, this is definitely always giving you very good opportunities here. Just like I saw you over here on the 4-hourly, of course, it's really seeing the trend reversal coming in. And right here in January, 29th January, EMA Ribbon also gave you this long signal on the 4-hourly after this, low short period. And here it was saying, okay, 29th of January, you have to go long here, was the EMA Ribbon saying. And also, I'm personally in the swing trade of Bitcoin, and right now it's once again saying, okay, Bitcoin is looking like longing is a better job right now. So EMA Ribbon signifying that we are long here, and also we are trading above this EMA Ribbon, what is very, very good here. So, I mean, definitely very exciting times, guys. And like I told you before, I do think that the market is reversing anytime soon here, and it is looking right now that we are reversing. So, guys, of course, I like this, and I see very exciting times here, and I mean, very, very cool that what we are seeing right now. Very cool that we are seeing. So let me also know still in the chat. I will quickly look once again at this poll here. So it's 50-50, man. It's 50-50. Very, very exciting. I'm just going to wing the poll here. And by the way, if you want to join the Discord, it's still in the description. It's not live pinned in the chat here, but yeah, you can definitely bring back the rain here. Rain and music. Guys, Dean Harvey is saying bring back the rain here, man. I will definitely consider doing maybe something else here, because you guys, I want to listen to you guys, and I want to make the most amount of people happy here. And if I'm just democratic, you know, if more people want it, I will do it for you. So definitely make sure to vote what you think about it. What is the best thing here? Stocks are going down, crypto is going down as well here. So yeah, definitely also we'll look at the S&P 500 in a sec right away here. I mean, I was saying in a second here, we'll disable this EMA Ribbon here, and yes, you can see. You can see right now. Let's flip it to the 1-hourly candles. You can see right now if you look to the S&P 500, S&P 500 also dumping here, creating maybe a double bottom here would be of course very amazing, because once the S&P 500 is bottoming out here. Once the S&P 500 is reversed to the upside, Bitcoin will be dragged along as well, because S&P 500 is usually moving in the same direction as Bitcoin. So sorry, give me a second. So very exciting what we are seeing here, but S&P 500 right now moving to the downside here. Of course, it can maybe show that we are probably going to follow here with Bitcoin as well. And still keeping an eye out on Cardano, of course, guys. Still having our position here. Of course, not going to rushing anything here. Active orders, you can see it over here. $1.15 will be our entry price. Right now, still sitting around $1.16. So definitely want to get this swing trade entry in here, guys, just like you are. Just like you probably are here. So, of course, very exciting what we are seeing here. I mean, Bitcoin still getting supported by this line. Very, very strong to see. Very nice to see. And also, yeah, Chainlink. Definitely want to go into Chainlink, because we didn't finish our story about Chainlink here. So I will flip this to the 4-hourly candles. I mean, you can see these clear support and resistance levels. But once hitting towards $26.6, I mean, definitely that will be an area that we definitely want to go a little bit more into Chainlink as well here, by the way. And as I can see on the subscription count, by the way, guys, we're coming very close to the 23.3k subscribers. We're only 5 subscribers away here. So if you just joined into the stream here, if you just joined in here and you're completely new to the channel, it would be very nice if you're smashing up these likes already, of course, and subscribe to the channel, because only 5 subscribers away here, reaching very close to the 22.3k here. Of course, very amazing here. And Little Blue Elephant also joined the server. Joined the server. Little Blue Elephant also send it this super chat here, $5 Australian. So thank you so much for your donation here. You are saying, hey, Crypto Rain, CR, of course, very nice. In your review, can you please tell us, do you think Bitcoin will drop to 42k? in US dollars before it shoots up here. Of course, definitely can go to 42K here, but I mean, more indicators are right now saying to me, okay, by the way, just open the new 4-hourly candle here. I mean, I'm not feeling very bad about Bitcoin. I mean, if you look to the EMA ribbon, you can see, of course, EMA ribbon right now giving us this long signal here. That is already a very, very good thing here because, yeah, EMA ribbon, of course, very good indicator. EMA ribbon, we are also trading above it on the 4-hourly, so that's already a very strong thing. And if you look to the 20-day moving average on the 4-hourly, also supporting us right now. But yeah, of course, if you look to the daily, to this moving average, yes, you can see right now still getting this rejection. So yeah, of course, still can create a wick on the on the lower side here. But I mean, 42K would be very unlikely to see before shooting up here. And then, and the reason why I'm saying this is because if you look to the lower time frames, and I will disable this 20-day moving average real quickly, you can see, yeah, we created a new uptrend here, and we are done with setting lower lows here. So in my opinion, no, it's not very likely. In my opinion, it's more likely to reverse once again to the upside, because right now just creating once again a new higher low here, and I do think maybe it's over here. And once we're going a little bit more lower here, I will definitely open this this live position here. I would like to open it, of course. And guys, if you have it already, you can right now sign up through my link here. You can use my Famex link here. You can use my Bybit link, of course, what you prefer. But yeah, if you're signing up right now, you can still set up your account. You can already deposit. Of course, you always have to trade at your own risk, but you can already set up your account here, because once you're spotting these trades here, it is taking you always 30 minutes or so to set up your account. So if you're setting up your account already, you can definitely do so right now. And if you're using my referral link, that will be very, very nice here. I want you to drink, Rover. Jacob Williams. Once drinking, camera freaking out. Very amazing mug. The previous winner sent it today to him. So, guys, let me know if you really want to win a mug today, because I still have one more mug to give away here. One more mug to give away here. And it totally does not matter where you're living. Totally does not matter where you're living. Bitcoin to Cardano right now. I mean, yeah, we just discussed this. Bitcoin Cardano compared to Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, right now, just this is also the reason why I do want to get this strength trade in. And I'm getting so frustrated by this camera. I'm getting so frustrated. You have to know it. I want to fix it, and I want to make the best quality for you guys. But by the way, guys, 400 likes already. Thank you so much for smashing up these likes. But I mean, guys, this is also the reason why I feel so bullish about Cardano, because right now, seeing, if you look to Cardano, do I get to see our supporter in the Discord for joining on YouTube? Yeah, definitely. James Holt, what is your Discord? Tag me. Let me see. What is your Discord? James. James, definitely tag me in the say what your Discord name is, and I will definitely right away give you the rank here. Also in the Discord server. Definitely will give you the rank here, because I know you're a true supporter, James. So let me know what your rank is here, what your name is in the Discord server, and then we'll definitely give it to you. So also quickly looking still at the straw poll. And right now it's more yes than no, so maybe have to turn on the rain once again here in a second. So definitely we'll look forward to it. But James, let me know what your just got home. Thank you, Rover. Yeah, Team Harvey, welcome home. But I mean, if you look to Bitcoin compared to Cardano here, guys, no one is looking at this chart. This is from the swing high to swing low in the bull market high and bear market low here. You can see that Cardano is right now trading against support here compared to Bitcoin. And it's Iggly Wiggy with your Bitcoin emojis. So I will right away give you the rank here, my friend. I will right away set it up. I cannot find you. I cannot find you. I cannot find you, James Holt. Is that really your Discord? Is that really your Discord name? Because I cannot find it. So please check it, double check it. And tag me maybe in the general chat. Tag me otherwise in the general chat, Iggly Wiggy. Tag me otherwise in the general chat, because I cannot find you right now. I do want to give you the rank, of course. But very nice very nice emojis that you can use, of course. So yeah, if you want to use these emojis as well, you can join us over here. I mean, just starting it out, and I want to add more emojis, but then we need more members, of course, to join it. So only if you feel free to do it. Of course, no. You don't necessarily have to do it. It's only if you really want to support the channel here. So super chat, thank you from you, Frank Gastel. You're sending $5, so thank you so much for your support of the nation. You're saying thanks for another amazing live stream. Can you maybe do a TA on MITX coin? So definitely we'll look into MITX. So thank you once again for your support of the donation. And man, I see not a lot of information, but I can spot something right away here because yeah, you can see this is previously holding us back as resistance and support. And right now you're trading at this level once again here. But I have to tell you, man, there's not a lot of information about this coin. There's not a lot of information about this coin, but what I'm seeing right now, yeah, you can see creating wicks on the lower side here before, so it was acting as support. Once dipping below it, yeah, you can see it was acting as resistance, but right now, since you broke above it, you're right now retesting this, and it's very likely to retest this as support, so right now you're getting this very good buying opportunity. And first, thank you to the Crypto Rover family as well here. You're also a member of this this group as well, so thank you so much for tuning in here. Very nice that you're joining, of course. But I mean, if you look to this gray box here, it's right now looking that you're getting this very, very good buying opportunity here. And yeah, I mean, definitely a position to maybe enter to this coin. And of course, I don't know the fundamentals of this coin, and the fundamentals are very important. And quickly refreshing to the channel here. We are very close to 22.3k here, so it would be amazing if you're subscribed to the channel here. So first, welcome to the club here. You can also use these insane emojis, of course. Love watching the stream, Rover. First, thank you for supporting me. You're a true legend here, of course. But yeah, you can see right now giving you a very good buying opportunity. It's looking like a very good buying opportunity right now. And also, we're going to stream for a longer period of time today because I have a free spare day today. So I'm definitely going to spend my time with you guys. And you're saying Cardano, so I will definitely check Cardano here for you, my friend, because you guys are loving Cardano. I will flip it, quickly go to this chart here. And guys, you have to know, still in this open position right now. If you want to know the exact details about this position, definitely check the Discord server, because in the Discord server, we are right now giving you the exact details about this trade. Also have this new pinned comment right now. But I mean, yeah, if you want to join us on the on this trade here, definitely you can go to the Discord server. You can look at the exact details here, and then you know when to enter, when to exit the trade. Hey man, can you give your TA on Polygon? And definitely we'll look at Polygon in a second here. But I mean, quickly finishing up ADA here. I mean, definitely, yeah, this line was not holding back us. It was holding us back here, but I mean, yeah, of course, still downward sloping resistance line here, and maybe forming this descending triangle here, having multiple touches here. Of course, you can see that we are trading between these ranges here, having this $1.15 level. Yeah, was giving us very strong support here. So I mean, that is looking very strong here, and yeah, let's see for how long we will continue this trend here. Will be, of course, very amazing if you are joining. So Rover is our hero. Yeah, thank you so much, Moonlight. Thank you so much for singing this nice song. Maybe we have to make our own song anytime soon, our own Bitcoin song. And if you have a very good idea about a Bitcoin song, or a very good idea, a good idea for this song, let me know. Send me an email. You can find the email here in our channel. If you go to about here, you can see our email. So by the way, hitting the 22.3k subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel here. But if you have a very good idea about a certain song or so that we can make, definitely I will produce it for you. So yeah, you can send it to me over there, and of course you will get a big shout out, of course. But I mean, yeah, looking to this horizontal level here, that's also the reason why we are opening this position once we're hitting the $1.15 here. So I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to it to reach this level, of course. And quickly, oh, Iggly Wiggy, I found you. I found you. I gave you a rank. Iggly Wiggy. So very nice that you that I finally found you here. So thank you for of course supporting the channels for such a long period of time already. And also right now we are having 2 members here. Absolutely amazing that we are 2 special members here. Fast. You're saying DDS on DEX tools looking good here. So DDS, I will quickly looking at DDS here for a second. And I mean, let me see. DEX tools, I will quickly look at this coin. But I mean, if I look to DEX coins, I mean, this chart is already not a very nice chart in my opinion. Daily candles, but the candles are not very strong, and I don't really like these candles, to be honest. But I mean, yeah, I mean, these candles, of course, very exciting candles, but of course, not a lot of information. Very hard to give my thoughts about this certain coin here, because yeah, you can see not a lot of information, and of course, you're having a big run up here. It's very hard to give my TA on this. And Jordan also donated here. Thank you for your supportive donation. And Bitcoin, right, by the way, moving up here. Bitcoin is moving up here, almost to the 50k once again here. So very excited what Bitcoin is right now doing here. But Jordan Cookie, thank you for your $8 Australian donation. You're saying, hey, beautiful man, could you please look at Algorand? And of course, Definitely will check out Algorand here also for you previously who started in the stream here. So definitely Algorand is a coin that you do want to keep an eye out on because this coin will probably perform very strong here. So also getting a super chat here from Depoist. So also we'll look into this donation in a second. So give me a second here. I will look at your request here. It's only you only have to give me a couple minutes here. And sorry for my face freaking out here. I'm not a robot, don't worry. And you're AMAC, you're just donated €5 and you're not saying anything. So thank you for your support of the donation here. But Jordan Cookie, definitely will look at Algorand here. And once looking to Algorand, we were just quickly discussing it already a moment ago. But of course, very exciting what we are seeing here with the price of Algorand, in my opinion. Because what we are seeing right now with the price of Algorand, I will fix this here. What I'm right now seeing with Algorand is of course very exciting because we had this previous downward sloping resistance line here, and since we broke this resistance line, we went to the upside, what is of course very nice. And before having this broke of this resistance line, you can see that we are forming some kind of a reversal structure with a double bottom here. So that is of course very, very nice to see. So since then we reversed to the upside here. Also, like Bitcoin is reversed to the upside. And like I told you before, I feel very strong about Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin is very likely to move to the upside because right now giving you some very good buying opportunities. And guys, you have to know, I see always how this works because always once the market is moving up, people are always searching for Bitcoin on the internet. But right now you are looking here and you are getting this perfect opportunity. So thank you so much for watching right now. And you have to know it. Right now, buying right now into crypto is a very, very good strategy. And also opening swing trades is right now very, very good here. And of course, no financial advice here, but this is just my own opinion on the market. But right now it is looking like that you're getting clear opportunities to open a position here right now in the market. Especially swing trades are very popular right now, and if you want to join me as well, you can join me on these swing trades here. I'm probably going to do a lot of them publicly here on VMX, so that will be of course very cool. But Algorand is right now, if you look to the 4 hourly and also to the 1 hourly, you can see supportive bounce from this new supportive line that we are creating. So right now getting a very good buying opportunity once again for Algorand. Yeah, you can see still from top where we are right now, it's still approximately a decrease of 37% here. So 37% sale off that you're right now getting is a very, very nice sale that you're getting. So in my opinion, definitely worthy to maybe check out Algorand right now if you really want to step into Algorand. Definitely a very good, yeah, definitely very good here. Definitely a very good opportunity that you're right now getting. So of course, I would like to see Algorand, of course, continuing higher, and yeah, let's see how far it can grow here, how far we can see Algorand grow here, because that would be, of course, very amazing. Because a lot of holders here, I know in the chat of Algorand, and of course, I would like to see Algorand grow even more and more. So let's see where Algorand is heading towards. But yeah, right now just giving you a very good buying opportunity if you look at this certain chart. And if we set up if you look at the Fibonacci chart, yeah, you are also trading above this 1.618 here. So looking forward where Algorand is heading towards. But I mean, looking at Bitcoin is absolutely showing a lot of strength, guys. Bitcoin showing very much strength here. And just like you guys are, because you are smashing these likes so fast here. I mean, 1,400 live viewers, thank you so much for tuning in here. And guys, I can see that we're only 40 likes away from the 500. So it would be amazing if we can reach the 500 likes here. Let me know if you just joined into the stream. Please make sure to hit that like button. That will be, of course, a very amazing... will be very amazing if you're doing so. Will be very amazing if you're doing so. People are saying... what channel are you posting your position in Discord? You can go to the Training Challenge. Training Challenge is the channel that is... the channel that we will keep you guys up to date here. And Nigel also donated a super chat here, €2. Thank you for your support of the donation here. And Nigel, you're saying, hey man, EGLD broke through the $142 resistance. Definitely we'll check EGLD because EGLD, of course, also an asset that you want to keep an eye out on. And we were watching this EGLD chart yesterday as well. And we told you guys, okay, we will keep an eye out on EGLD because if we're going to break out of this ascending triangle, this will definitely give you a very good position to maybe enter a long position or maybe just... accumulation here for maybe a position to just hold in general. So, I mean, yeah, you can see ascending triangle finally break to the upside. And previously we were getting this fake out over here, but right now already seeing multiple candles close above it. And man, this is looking very strong here. And thank you for notifying me, Nigel, here. Thank you for letting me know here. But I mean, this can be an increase of approximately 36% to the upside here. So EGLD in the immediate short term looking very strong, guys. And guys, you have to know, this is an opportunity that you do want to take here, in my opinion. And let's see how far we can continue this price of EGLD. Because in my opinion, yeah, right now giving you a very good buying opportunity to maybe step into EGLD here. So... Let's see how far we can climb to the upside. Maybe we are still going to see a retracement here. And if we're going to see a retracement, I would like to see this previous resistance flipping into support and then continuing to reach our price target. So very exciting what we are right now seeing. And I will be looking forward to see where EGLD is heading towards, guys. Very exciting. What time will you stream if you're living in Dubai? It will probably be in the early hours in Dubai. So I don't exactly know. That will probably be around this time what I'm doing right now here. So definitely will be looking to stream every single day here. And maybe some days there won't be a stream, but I will of course try to do my best and do a daily live stream here. Right now, still being at home here, and it will approximately be in 6 days or so before I'm doing that. Because in 6 days, I mean 6 weeks. It's approximately 6 weeks before I'm moving out here. So I mean, still doing this from home for now at least. But of course, Dean Harvey, I will definitely keep you guys up to date once I'm doing so. So, Elif, also, thank you for your support of the nation. And Elif, you're saying, also Dennis donated here. So, Dennis, I will also look at your request in a second. But first, Elif, thank you for €5. And you are saying, do you have an opinion about VeChain? And definitely, I always have an opinion. But I try to keep my opinion in front of me. Because sometimes I'm giving a wrong opinion or not an opinion that everyone is likely to hear here. But I mean, VeChain is looking strong here. Fundamentals are looking strong. And Nigel, also thank you for the donation. And we'll also look at your request in a second here. Thank you for your super chat. But I mean, VeChain looking very strong, partnering up with very strong, very strong people, and that is also the reason why VeChain is just looking very strong in my opinion. And you can see a Fibonacci line holding VeChain back here on the daily candles. But yesterday we also discussed this. Once we're closing above this Fibonacci line, definitely will be a very good thing here, because here you can see getting rejected. And yesterday we closed this daily candle above this 2.618 here, and since closing the day this candle above this 2.618, yeah, definitely we increase magnificently to the upside here. So that's of course very nice to see with the price of VeChain. And just right now heading towards this 3.618 here. So I will be definitely looking forward to see VeChain increase more in price here. And I mean, VeChain is just picking up his pace once again here. So let's see where VeChain will head towards. But I mean, VeChain is looking very strong in the immediate short term here. VeChain is looking very strong in the immediate short term. So also getting a donation from, let me see, from Dennis. And Dennis donated €5. And you're saying, hey, do you think Bitcoin will be dropping below the 42K here? I want to invest, but I should... Wait, but I cannot reach it, really read it because it's on my screen really weird. But I sold at 44K here. I want to invest below the 44K. I mean, man, if you're talking about a hodl position, and like I told you before, please never time the market with your holding position, because timing the market with a holding position is just suicidal. And you have to know, I accumulated approximately on the 2 days here with the Bitcoin price here. If I flip this back to Bitcoin, I accumulated at these lower levels around to 45K here, because I know myself. Okay, Bitcoin can still move a little bit more to the downside, but I mean, if I'm going to buy right now and buy also even lower, I can definitely average in with a very good price once again here, because I'm trying to build a strong portfolio here for the longer term, because I want to accumulate more and more Bitcoin once I'm going further and further in my life here, because in the coming 15 years I'm definitely will hold my Bitcoin. I mean, a portion of my portfolio will cash out this coming bull run, but other portion I will definitely hold here for at least 15 more years here, because I think Bitcoin will be around here in 15 years, and you have to know, if Bitcoin is around, these other altcoins will be around as well here. So that's also the reason why I'm holding Binance also for a longer period of time. Ethereum, not so sure about it, because I still think Ethereum is too risky to hold for long term, in my opinion. But I mean, definitely, I mean, don't time the market with your holding position. Don't try and time the market with your holding position, because then you are getting wrecked here. Just buy and hold. And in my opinion, we are just set to reverse it to the upside. And don't get me wrong, we can still move to the downside here. No financial advice, but if I look to the chart, what the chart is right now telling me, it's definitely looking that we are going to reverse to the upside here. And Nigel, also your €2 donation here, so thank you first for your donation, Dennis. And I mean, don't try and time the market here, but Nigel, you donate €2, and you're saying even kept strong while Bitcoin dipped below the 50K RSI. Question mark. I mean, even hold strong here. I mean, Bitcoin is still looking strong here, and I mean, we were almost creating a bullish divergence here, but did not clearly create one. But I mean, we are still holding on strong here. Bitcoin is looking to reverse more to the upside, like I told you before here. So yeah, thank you for your super chat, of course, Nigel. Thank you for your super chat. Let me see. Are you margin trading? Of course. Can I ask about margin? Yes, I am margin trading and doing it on Femex and on Bybit here. So if you want to join me as well, you can use my referral link in the description. And guys, by the way, you guys are smashing up these likes. We just surpassed the 500 likes, guys. This is absolutely amazing to see once again here. So if you just joined into the stream here, if you want to support the channel completely for free, you know what to do. You can just smash up these likes here. It will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. And we will go in some more charts here. And Nigel also once again here. Thank you for your super chat. And you're saying 4-hour TD sequence, maybe a bearish on EGLD. So I'll go back to EGLD here. And you're saying maybe a bearish version here on EGLD here. And I mean, oh, this is a very interesting thing what we are of course seeing. Yeah, it's very. We are still creating a lower high in the RSI. I mean, the higher high in the RSI and lower high in the price chart. So that's saying, yeah, we are seeing a bearish divergence. But I mean, this move is not done here, and this breakout of this pattern here is looking very strong here. Ascending triangle breakout, very bullish bias pattern, and I'm not feeling bearish here on the EGLD. So you should not worry all too much about this one. So yeah, thank you once again for your support of the nation. Yeah, thank you so much here. Thank you so much here. Talk slow. Okay, I will try and talk slow, but I'm way too excited right now. I'm way too excited right now because we are seeing very exciting things here in the market, and of course, always also we are seeing very exciting things here in the market. I'm talking way too fast here because I'm getting very exciting, of course. Yeah, I mean, these sides are once again, guys. I mean, I know that oh wait, always glitching. But I mean, guys, you have to know you want to buy at these low prices. You want to buy at these low prices, and you will regret it once we are moving to the 60k once again. Because once going to the 60k, you will be buying. I mean, not you, but I mean the newbies will be buying here. And still, our price on Cardano, by the way, I'll flip this to the Cardano chart, hasn't been filled yet. Hasn't been filled yet, so still have to wait a little bit longer here on the 1 hourly candles to see this order getting filled here. I will also set up this rectangle as well here, but I mean still have to wait a little bit longer here till we're going to see our order getting filled here. So yeah, of course I will be looking forward to get this order filled on Cardano, because we will be looking for some more swing trade entries there. And guys, yeah, definitely we're going to crush this market altogether here. So if you want to be a part of me, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because yeah, we are just growing so quickly here. But I mean, EMA ribbon also looking very strong here on Bitcoin. Definitely giving you this buying opportunity here right now, giving you this long position here on the 4 hourly. We're trading above this EMA ribbon here. I mean, already very strong here. Don't change your positive energy. It's good. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Of course, always very positive. And especially once I'm seeing this huge opportunity coming into the market right now, guys, you have to know I want to take this opportunity with you guys. And that is also the reason why I'm sharing my thoughts with you guys on the market here. And I will definitely, I want you guys to benefit as well from it. And that is the reason why I'm telling you right now here, it is right now giving you a very, very good opportunity to step into the market here. And guys, we want to crush the market altogether here. And if you really want to crush the market altogether here, I mean, I am right now, like I told you before, I'm already saying this for 3 days or so. I am right now getting more and more into swing trades, because I think that the market personally is going to reverse here, and right now maybe creating this new bottom here once again, and then we're going to create a leg to the upside. And I mean, if we're moving more and more to the downside here, I will accumulate even more. But it is looking like right now that we're getting this perfect buying opportunity, and that is the reason why I'm entering more and more swing trades here. And guys, of course, no financial advice, but I mean, swing trading over here, when you can see a Bitcoin sitting around 60 or 70k in 2 or 3 weeks here, I mean, would just say no here. And you have to know me, a Bitcoin can go up very, very quickly, especially in these last legs here. And we will be a part of it, and that is also the strategy what we will do here. Can you explain your Cardano trade here? Definitely, I can explain it here to you. I can definitely explain it to you. Of course, EMA ribbon right now below it still on the 4 hourly. But I mean, yeah, this is just showing a lot of strength here. And like I told you before, I do want to get into some swing trades here on Cardano. And I mean, $1.15 here, guys. This is just looking like a clear opportunity, and I'm not going to say this twice here. I'm not going to let this pass me twice here. But I mean, if we're going to touch this $1.15, this will definitely be a very strong entry price for Cardano here. You can see previously acting as very strong resistance, and right now will probably act as very strong support. So that's basically the reason why I'm looking to open this position. And James Holt, and once again, with your amazing emojis, what I just added here. So if you want to use them as well, you can become a member also of the channel. Would be, of course, very nice if you want to support the channel. But James Hall, you're saying, what do you think about Uniswap? And I will definitely look at Uniswap here. I will definitely look at Uniswap here, but I mean, I find it very funny, and I want to add some more emojis as well here for you guys, so we can have some very cool emojis about Bitcoin and some other altcoins. Maybe I can add every altcoin. And once I'm asking, which altcoin are we going to check, you can spam these altcoin, these emojis in the chat here. And daily, we'll also look at your super chat donation in a second here. But James Holt, what do you think about Uniswap? You're saying so. Definitely, we'll look at Uniswap here, and also I still have this alert here setting up here, but did not got the alert in yet because yeah, you all know we haven't. Went to the $17 yet here, but I mean $17. I really want to get into Uniswap once we're hitting $17, but unfortunately, yeah, we are not getting it. And Uniswap, I have multiple thoughts about Uniswap, but Uniswap very close to the all-time high once again here. So Uniswap, of course, doing a very good, strong and good job here. But guys, you have to be careful here because I was already looking to a different chart and I was seeing the same here. And of course, we're right now breaking above it, but we can still create this wick on the top side. So we can definitely still reverse to the downside here. And man, we're getting a massive super chat. Massive super chat. Oh my gosh, DG, thank you for your supportive donation here. Thank you so much here. Massive super chat. Thank you so much. Never, this is the biggest super chat I ever got here, so thank you so much, man. We'll look into your question in a second. First, going to discuss Uniswap, and then we'll discuss Dali Ali. But yeah, thank you so much for your super chat. You're amazing, man. So yeah, I mean, Uniswap definitely want to be careful here because we are looking to the 4-hourly time frame, and for the 4-hourly time frame, yeah, we can still create this wick on the top side. And once creating this wick on the top side, yes, we can still reverse to the downside here. And we can get this rejection once again here. Because here we can also got this rejection. So you should be playing it very careful here with Uniswap, in my opinion. What are your thoughts on NFTs? Theon Flow, please. NFTs are very good for the Bitcoin currency space here. And NFTs will do very well here. But I'm more exposed to the DeFi sector. So, I mean, yeah, NFTs will do pretty well. Theon Flow. Definitely will give my thoughts about Flow. And once again, don't have a lot of information about this chart. And that's, of course, very unfortunate because then I cannot give you really good thoughts about this chart here. But I mean, please be careful with entering position right now. 4-hourly overextended, daily also pretty very overextended, and 1-hourly also overextended. And on the 1-hourly, by the way, I can spot it right away, creating a bearish divergence here. Creating a higher high in the chart, but a lower high in the RSI chart. So, I mean, you're right now having a bearish divergence. So, looking to reverse this price anytime soon here. And if I flip this to the 4-hourly, by the way, also creating a bearish divergence. Higher high in the price chart, lower high in the RSI chart. So, it is looking like that you're once again creating a bearish divergence. So, please be careful with this coin here. It can easily reverse to the downside and maybe go back to the strength line. So, DG, thank you so much for your €50 donation here. Absolutely legend here. Thank you for supporting the channel here, of course. And you're saying, hi, what is our next target on BTC? Doing 50K in 1 minute challenge together with you. Doing 50K in 1 minute challenge. I mean, of course, thank you for supportive donation here, DG. And I mean, what is the next target for Bitcoin? It is for me at least showing that we're probably in some kind of a channel here, because I think that we are in an uptrend here. Because yeah, we reversed the market here, we were first in a downtrend here, like I told you before already multiple times here. But yeah, right now just creating a new uptrend here, setting higher lows here, what is very important for the price of Bitcoin. So once setting higher lows, of course, it is looking like we are going to reverse the market here and also setting higher highs here. So if this bounce really solidifies and we go to the upside, probably going to create a higher high here. So maybe it will be something around the 55K here. But I mean, definitely the big next target will be around the 63K here. And I think we can reach this right sooner than later here. And Bitcoin can go up very quickly here. And also, just in general, there's a lot of hype around Bitcoin. So that's also the reason why I do feel very bullish about Bitcoin here. But I mean, yeah, let's see where Bitcoin is heading towards, because I mean, it's very hard to say, but 1 minute challenge, I mean, if you're talking about 1 minute and you're just going to set 50K at 100x or so, I would be careful with that, of course. Not my strategy here. If you're trading 50K, at least trade with low risk here. But I mean, if you're looking for a trade, definitely maybe once hitting this supportive line here, you can definitely enter a position here. But if you really want to open a safe trade here, at least that is also what I'm doing with this trading challenge here. I'm just waiting a little bit longer here because I want to see a clear opportunity to really opening a big swing trade position, because swing trading will be our strategy here for the coming days here, because the coming weeks, in my opinion, the market will reverse to the upside. And once reversing to the upside, yes, you know, swing trades will do very well here. And that is the reason why we will be looking for some more swing trades, DG. So yes, DJ, if you're looking for an opportunity to maybe get into a position, definitely watch the stream here, because we will look for some more opportunities here. And as also donates the two euros here, and thank you for support of £2 here. So as you're saying, hey, I had the ADS FIPS at $1.16, but maybe not. I mean, I was not looking at the Fibonacci level here. I was just looking purely at support and resistance here. So yeah, I mean, it's not really meeting a Fibonacci level, but it's reading. I mean, it's reaching a very clear supportive level here. So that is the reason why we are willing to enter a position over here. So yeah, I mean, you should be very careful with. You should be very careful with entering, of course, always. But I mean, $1.50 will definitely be the area that we will be looking to open this position. And guys, I see only 34 likes away from the 600 likes. And yeah, right now watching with 1,500 people, I do think that we can easily reach it. So if you haven't already liked the video, I think if you all like the video, we are having 1.5k likes here. But if you want to support the channel completely for free, you will be very cool if you're right now smashing up these likes. I mean, it will be, of course, very cool if you can do so. So let me know if you drop the likes. And man, oh, you're spamming in the chat. And if you're spamming in the chat, I will right away block you here. So sorry for not notifying it earlier. But I mean, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to smash up these likes here. Only 30 likes away here. And G also sent a super chat, and you're saying, your thoughts on Feta, do you think it will reach $100 in this bull run? And I can easily say already my opinion about it, and I don't think it's going to reach $100 in this bull run, sorry. But I mean, yeah, definitely, of course, these coins can maybe yeah, really do some weird things here, but $100 will be a 20x from here on, and I find the 20x way too high here. I still think a 10x is possible. The 20x is pretty high in my opinion. So I mean, definitely $50 it will be a target that you probably can reach here. And Feta is, of course, also a very interesting project, and also the market cap of Feta. We'll quickly check it because it will also depend on the market cap here, and it's already sitting around 4.4 billion. Definitely no. 10x is, in my opinion, the maximum that we can reach here. And Fed, of course, a very nice coin here. Also giving you very good buying opportunities once we are way low here. And also showing that we were forming some kind of, right now looking at the 1 hourly time frames, we're forming this W structure, higher low structure. And I mean, very nice structure that you could have played here. Fed already looking to this coin already a longer period of time and breaking this 2.618, guys. Breaking this 2.618 here, it's looking very strong here in the chat. It is sorry, in chat. I mean, this is looking very strong in the charts here. So guys, yeah, I mean, it is looking, in my opinion, very strong here. So definitely, Feta coin, Feta token is a coin that you do want to keep an eye out on. And breaking this 2.618 here is looking very strong. And you have to see Bitcoin finally going up a little bit here, and these altcoins can really benefit from it, just like Feta is doing right now. And it's just a matter of time before all these other altcoins will explode once again here. So Filecoin also doing in this last week 16% is pretty well here, just like Elrond, HLD also performing pretty well here. But yeah, Tether is just standing out here for the last week, and Uniswap also performing pretty strong here. So yeah, guys, we will definitely look for some more opportunities to maybe also scale into a little bit more of these altcoins. But I mean, oh, you're saying 50k, 50k to 1 million. I mean, that would definitely be very nice. 50k to 1 million. I see it. He said 1 minute, right? Or was I saying something wrong here? Sorry. Oh, 1 million. Sorry. I mean, I don't know. I'm sorry. 50k to 1 million, man. That would definitely be very cool. So definitely we'll be looking forward to see what we are heading towards. So yeah, if you want to sign up as well, if you want to join the channels as well, you can use my Famex referral link in the description. It will be, of course, very nice if you're using it. Yeah, you will be also be supporting the channel, and you will get this. Very nice deposit bonus. You can get up to $680 in deposit bonus. So, of course, if we want to use it, it would be very nice here. And CM Gaming also, thank you for your support of the donation. You're saying TA on IOTA. What do you think IOTA can do here in general? So yeah, of course, what can I do in general? Of course, it really depends on how this market will develop here. Maybe we'll adjust this line a little bit here, something more like this here. So I mean, this will show a more significant, and also flipping to this 4 hourly candle. Sorry, I cannot talk here. I have to take a quick drink. I'm maybe going to give away one more here in the stream, and definitely going to order a bit more here, not for sale, but only for giveaways, because I like to give some stuff away here, as you guys already know here. And probably also going to do a giveaway on my Instagram anytime soon once again here. So make sure to follow the Instagram as well here. Also maybe going to do a post later today here. It will be amazing if you're if you're interested in my personal life. You can check out the Instagram page here, of course. And yeah, I mean, it's not very interesting. Only have one post there. You can see. Yeah, right now having 1,600 live followers, so it will be amazing if you're joining as well here. Just for fun, of course. Only if you're interested, of course. But what do you think about IOTA? IOTA right now trading at support line. I mean, definitely looking for a bounce anytime soon here, and maybe forming some kind of a horizontal resistance line, as you can see over here, because we're getting hold back every time once we are meeting this target. So maybe looking for a breakout anytime soon here, and that can definitely be very good here for the price of IOTA, of course. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see how this will go here. But yeah, we are creating higher lows here, but it's already a very strong feeling in my opinion. Right now looking, of course, at the 4-hourly candle. So definitely looking for a reversal anytime soon here, and right now trading once again, as I told you before, on support. So let's see where we are heading towards. But I mean, in the future, what can it do? Can definitely still reach $10 in my opinion, and that's the reason why I tell you guys, you are still early. Don't freak out here. If you really want to buy into crypto right now, you're still getting this perfect opportunity here to step into crypto, because right now still giving you a very cheap opportunity to buy into crypto. And why should you wait and time the market where you have right now a very good buying opportunity? And guys, by the way, I can see 50 subscribers away from the 22.4k subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. You can also subscribe to the channel. It will be, of course, very nice if you're doing so. And please don't spam in the chat here, because if you're spamming in the chat, you will get blocked here. Of course, that's not very nice here. And people are saying, is it late to buy? No, it is not too late to buy. You have to know it is not too late to buy here. You're still very, very early. You have to be very glad that you're so early still. And of course, you have to know, still in this Polkadot swing trade here. Let's look at the daily candles. This great box of support resistance is right now not holding us. I mean, it's right now holding us back here. Previously acted as resistance, couldn't hold up. We could hold up here previously as support, but right now still pushing us a little bit lower here. So still have to wait and see what Polkadot will do here, but also can set up this next rectangle here, because I like to use rectangles here. I mean, this will definitely be our next supportive target here around the $34 here. So I mean, Polkadot also still in the swing trade here with you guys. So still in this Polkadot entry. I mean, still 25% in profit. So I will be planning to write this to new all-time highs here. Probably you guys are as well here. So just going to sit on this N33X right now, just going to sit on it, because I think this leg up here that we are going to create anytime soon here with Bitcoin can push these altcoins. It can push all Polkadot so fast to the upside, and we are in a swing trade, so we're going to benefit from it. So that's also the reason why we will be looking to open more and more swing trades here. And guys, of course, very exciting times here. And yeah, definitely Polkadot is just not looking bad at all here. It's looking very strong here. So definitely the reason why we want to get into more swing trades is because these coins are looking so strong here. And also because I think that Bitcoin is most likely going to reverse anytime soon here. You think the Bitcoin continue... Do you think the Bitcoin bull market will continue for a longer period of time here? I think the bull market can end very quickly here, and you really have to be careful here, because I think the bull market will end here once we're hitting 100 to 110k, and it will also ignite a lot of euphoria into the market. And once euphoria is coming to the market, you really want to step out here, because otherwise you're getting wrecked here. Because once noobs are buying into it, you want to get out of it. So once everyone is greedy, you want to get out of it. So definitely also would look for a very good exit strategy here, and that's also a thing that we will do here on the channel. So also a reason why you do want to be subscribed to the channel, because we will keep you guys up to date once we're getting out of this market. And I do think it depends on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin really going to have this fast leg up to the upside? Yeah, definitely we have to get out of Bitcoin very quickly here, but still think it can last 2 to 4 months at least here. 2 to 4 months at least, and maybe it's going to end even rather sooner than later. So we'll have to wait and see how this will go here. We'll have to wait and see how this will go. But yeah, I mean, it's very exciting. And once we're seeing really a sign of the market reversing here in Bitcoin, I mean, definitely, yeah, guys, you have to know, we will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. We will keep you guys up to date in the live streams. And that is just the main reason why you do want to be subscribed to the channel here. And I mean, yeah, you guys are just already showing so much support here in this live stream. I mean, right now watching with 1,500 people and 643 likes. I mean, guys, these likes means a lot for me, showing the appreciation. So if you are just joined the stream here and you haven't liked already, yeah, you can already like the video if you want to, of course. And my final sip of water. So I have to get some more water in a second here. Have to get some more water in. And I mean, the yes votes are winning here with rain. So maybe you have to re-enable the rain end again once again here. So we'll have to wait and see how this will go, of course. Please keep up with the alts and BTC exit timing, of course, guys. But the exit timing, of course, right now I'm not looking for exiting Bitcoin and exiting alts. And I mean, alts will be very, very important because these altcoins will give you very insane returns. But also, entering an entry is one thing, but exiting a trade or exiting a holding position is another thing here. So definitely keep an eye out on the channel here. And yeah, definitely we will be looking for exit strategies once we are seeing that the market is ending here. So I see likes. People are already saying liked in the chat here, so very nice. Fed a new all-time high here, so very, very nice. Watching and liking GW, very nice. Very, very nice. Dean Harvey, I know you like the rain here. I know you like the rain. So of course, definitely looking for some trade opportunities, of course. Definitely that's our strategy here on the channel. And let's look at some. I mean, I always want to discuss this. By the way, every day here. I mean, if you look to the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, you can see that we got a retest of this. Logarithmic growth curve level, and you can see always this level is acting as very strong support and resistance. And we were first below it, and then we saw this big green candle to the upside, and we closed this big green candle above it, and right now it is holding us up as support. So I mean, this is looking very strong, guys. And today, once again, having this touch here, so that's also the reason why I do think yes, we can see this reverse to the upside, and also this 20-day moving average. I still think yeah, we can create a big wick on the downside and still go higher, more higher to the upside. So guys, definitely let's see where we are heading towards. But I mean, a lot of strength and a lot of accumulation right now happening with big companies. You have to know a lot of big companies are right now accumulating Bitcoin. I probably know it for sure here. Sorry for the Dutch. I don't know. I don't care. I do care, by the way. I do care. But I mean, right now getting this bounce from logarithmic growth curve here is very strong here. And I mean, once getting this bounce, maybe we're going to go to this next level around the 64K, guys, in the logarithmic growth curve. So, of course, looking forward to it. Let's see where we're heading towards because, guys, I know these are very exciting times here. And you have to see this. I mean, if you look to the general trend that you have in an uptrend here, you can see not going up in a straight wave here. You're just going I mean, you're not going up in a straight line, you're going up in waves here. So you're creating once again another wave here, and maybe it's going to be something like this, and then we top out here in the last run. And by the way, yeah, the last run will be the fastest run to the upside. So yeah, it can definitely end very quickly here, of course, for Bitcoin. So please be careful, please be careful. But buying in right now is still a good thing. We're not even close to the top here, in my opinion. So guys, I mean, you're still getting this very, very, very good opportunity to scale into Bitcoin. So please embrace this challenge with both arms here, and don't get fooled by these stupid people here. And I mean, we're just only giving you the facts here, what we are thinking about the market, and that's also what we are doing. So, yo, what's up? What's up, Mevia? Hey, they have $1.50. Oh, I see it, guys. We're coming close for our entry price here. Of course, very exciting. Let's see if we're going to catch this entry price for Cardano, because we'll be entering it all together if you're joining. So would be, of course, very cool if you're doing so, because I think it's a very clear opportunity that we are right now getting here. ADA almost hit our entry target. Yeah, I know. We are very close for ADA, only 0.7 cents away from it. And by the way, guys, also 12 likes away from the 700 likes. So let's see if we can reach the 700 likes here. So, I mean, also on the 1 hourly time frame, by the way, you can see the RSI is dipping very low here for Cardano, and Cardano is losing strength here. It's always good if you want to buy at these lower areas, and I feel very, very bullish about Cardano, and Cardano is just set to blast off anytime soon here, once again here. But I mean, Cardano, very close to our entry target, and I would like to get this entry in here, of course, because I'm loving Cardano. I know that it is going to do very good in the bull run, and I do want to get this first entry in already here. So, if you want to join me as well, you can use this Famex referral link in the description, because you're also getting some bonuses here. So, yeah, definitely if you're using it, will be, of course, very cool if you're doing so. So, is it a short or long? It's definitely a long position. Definitely a long position. You have to know it. Definitely a long position. You can find it in the Discord server, by the way, if you want to know the exact details. And, yeah, I mean, very cool, very cool. It's a short. It's definitely a long position, man. Because yeah, trading at this supportive line, supportive box here. I mean, it's very likely to see a bounce to the upside here. So I mean, we're getting very close to our entry price, and of course, we would like to get this entry price in here, because we're buying pretty cheap here if we're hitting $15, in my opinion. And James Holt, once again, you have amazing, amazing emoji. Oh. amazing emojis as well here, guys. We just added this, so if you want to become it as well here, you can become a member here if you want to support the channel, of course. And we will have some exclusive emojis in the chat here, because we will add some more emojis as well here later on. But yeah, you can have these emojis that James Holt is also having, so it will be, of course, amazing. Would you have stop SP? You mean an SL stop loss on the 88 trade? Yeah, definitely. We'll have a stop loss here on this trade. We'll keep you guys up to date here. And these Cardano emojis are very cool in my opinion. But yes, I will have a stop loss here. It's only a 3x here, so I mean it will definitely go up. It's just a matter of time here, in my opinion. But also smashing through the 700 likes. Thank you so much for liking the content. And people are saying, I know you're meant to stop loss here. Definitely will look for a stop loss here. We're only here in with a 3x leverage here, or 4x leverage. Sorry, 4x leverage. So I mean, even if we're moving down 13%, of course, you're not getting liquidated, but you're not willing to ride a trade this low here. So definitely we'll look for a stop loss here. But give me a second, because yeah, of course, it depends on how fast the market will be reversing. But stop loss will definitely be used here. And in my opinion, 5% will be the max, but I will keep you guys up to date once opening this trade here. I will analyze the chart here, and I will say which stop loss we will be using here. And yeah, definitely we'll use the stop loss here. $1.15. I mean, I will be looking forward to it. And right now, almost we were at $1.15.5 here. So we're getting very, very, very close right now to entering this position as well here. So looking forward to it. Ethereum for long, when to buy. I mean, buying Ethereum right now is a very good buying opportunity. And guys, you have to know, once filling this order, I will keep you guys up to date, because I hear a sound in my ear once we are filling this order. So definitely we'll keep you guys up to date once we're entering this order, once we're hitting $1.15 here. So of course, we would like to get this entry in. And if we're just missing out by a few inches, of course, that will be unfortunate, but we will look for the next opportunity here. So what we are seeing right now here is very interesting here. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, very exciting times here, because if you look to this chart here, definitely Ethereum is looking to find a bounce anytime soon here compared to Bitcoin. And guys, I just know it for sure that Ethereum will bounce magnificently to the upside. And it's very easy to, I mean, it's very easy to say for me, but I do think it's very, very likely to see Ethereum bounce to the upside from here on. And guys, I will definitely be also looking to open this position here on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. But first, I want to see Bitcoin chill down, and then I will definitely open some swing trades as well on Ethereum, because already on the swing trade here on Ethereum on my private account, also on the swing trade on Bitcoin in my private account, and on my private account I'm trading on Bybit, so yeah, you can use them as well here. Also giving some very good bonuses. You can find in the description what the exact bonuses are. But I mean, if you really want to trade Ethereum right now, always once everyone is freaking out here about Ethereum, and I know the gas fees are high. I know they're not going to update before the bull market will end here. But I mean, definitely will be very, very good here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So definitely giving you a very good opportunity to buy right now, in my opinion. And definitely if you want to get into Ethereum and scale out a little bit of Bitcoin, I mean, definitely right now is the opportunity, guys. You're not getting this opportunity every single day here, but right now you are seeing scammers got a new logo. Are there some scammers in the chat here once again? But I mean, yeah, there are always a lot of scammers in the chat here, and we just updated the logo because then these scammers are not scammer alert. Wait, oh. Scammers got a new logo. Oh, I see it. Scammer also got a new logo. I mean, the scammers are up to date here. So, by the way, guys, also, please be careful. Once I'm typing something in the chat here, you can see my name is yellow, and no one will have my name like me. So please be careful for these scammers, because there are a lot of impersonators, and I cannot get a verified check here from YouTube because they're not allowing me. So they are letting these scammers do their thing. So I don't know why they're doing so, because I'm trying to take action also in the Discord server. Also contacted with Discord, but Discord is also, no, your Discord server is not big enough to counter these scammers. So very weird, but I will try and counter these scammers, of course, also with some insane Discord bots that these developers are making in our team. So, of course, would like to also do this on YouTube, but it's very hard to counter these scammers. So please be careful. But yeah, I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking very strong here, and definitely would like to enter some more Ethereum in the coming days here. Especially, I already scaled out some Bitcoin to Ethereum because it's looking so strong here. So Bitcoin still 49.4k here, still going a little bit sideways like I told you, but steady climbing. And I mean, still this support line is getting respected here. And I told you before, maybe we're seeing this downtrend getting formed right now, by the way. Maybe we are seeing this downtrend getting formed here. So looking for a breakout anytime soon here. So very curious what we are seeing, of course. Long on Cardano. we are very close to getting our entry price in here. You can see here $1.50. And if you want to know the exact details here, you can go to the Discord server. You can find the details here. And of course, I'm trading this on Femex, and the digits are maybe a little bit different, guys. That is why you want to trade on Femex as well here, because if you want to take our exact trades here, because we are giving these trade signals, they all will be here on Femex. So if you are signing up right now with my Femex link and creating an account on Femex as well, you have the exact digits. So yeah, and you will also get a very nice bonus, of course, on signing up. But I mean, please be careful, because some exchanges have some different numbers here, so it can maybe be a little bit different here. But yeah, I mean, if you want to join me as well on this challenge here, it will be, of course, very amazing if you're signing up with my link here. You will be also supporting the channel here, and you will also have the exact same digits. So yeah, our entry prices won't be different here, because you know, trading is on the exact digit. You want to play on the exact level, not incorrectly, of course. So I mean, yeah, on the 1 hourly candle, a lot of indecision here. You can see 3 minutes before we're going to close this candle here. Wicks on the downside, wicks on the top side. So yeah, still chilling around here, not doing anything weird here, not freaking out here. And guys, we're getting very close here to our new subscriber mark here. 22.4k subscribers is very close here. Only 40 I say 40. I mean, only 20 subscribers away here, guys. 20 subscribers away, 22.4k subscribers. So if you just hopped into the stream, because we're right now having 1.6k live viewers, if you just hopped into the stream here, you can right now subscribe to the channel. If you want to, of course, feel free to subscribe, because I can see only 50% always watching these live streams are subscribed to the channel. And I mean, guys, if you're subscribing to the channel here, it will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so, because, yeah, you will be supporting the channel here, and it will be very amazing, but it's also motivating me a lot here. And I mean, 20 subscribers, I think we can reach it very quickly here with you guys. You guys are always showing a lot of support here in the chat here, so very lovely to see here. Very lovely to see. Definitely have to get some water. Do you use lipstick? No, it's not lipstick. I don't know what it is. It's just a filter or so. My lips are a little bit dry here, so I use yeah, we call it sure, care for your lips here. But I mean, it's not lipstick. It's not lipstick. Definitely not. Sub, thank you so much, Russell. Thank you so much, Russell. True legend here. Let's see if we're very close to it. Probably if I look to this different screen here, I have this different chart here. I mean, yeah, we're coming very close to it. Only four subscribers away here, so going to reach it anytime soon here. So thank you so much here once again for supporting the channel here, and also, yeah, I mean, you guys are just such a supportive community here. So thank you so much. I see also, if I look at the Discord server who just joined here, so many people are joining here. So very nice. So nice to see, of course. 2 minutes till this 1 hourly candle will close here, guys. 2 minutes till this 1 hourly candle is going to close. And DG, your donation is right now also disappearing here. So still, thank you so much for supporting the channel here. No lipsticks. Is the red light district already open? No, it's still closed. That's exactly what someone who is using lipstick would say here. No, the man is not lipstick. You have to believe me. Lip balm, yeah. I mean, it's very nice, because I have very dry lips right now, because it's pretty cold outside here in the Netherlands, and that's why you are getting them. So using this is very nice then. Stop loss on Cardano will update you once we're opening the position. We're heading to lower and lower right now. We're getting very close here, only 0.6 cents away from it. So of course, definitely we'll keep you guys up to date once we are entering this position, of course. Definitely will keep you guys up to date once we're entering this position. So I will tell it right away. Also, once we are going into the trade, I will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. Thank you, Crypto Rover, just bought 10k of Ether, of course. No financial advice, but I think it's a very good thing. I think, in my opinion, very, very good decision, man. I mean, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum will most likely outperform Bitcoin, and it will be an outperformance of approximately 50% here. So definitely very strong. Definitely very strong. So yeah, Bitcoin going to close this 1 hourly candle in the red. It is looking like 30 minutes away until we're going to close it. So still maybe can close this in the green here. It depends on who's buying Bitcoin right now. So very exciting times, of course. Are you excited for reopening this new reopening? For it to reopen? No, I'm not very excited. Probably you're talking about the red light. I'm not excited for that red light at all. Doesn't matter. And last 10 seconds here in this 1 hourly candle, we pushed it into the green, so very nice, of course. And 88 very close to our entry price, guys. 88 very, very close to our entry price. So I will be looking forward to see once we're getting this entry price here in. And if you want to join us as well, yeah, you can already deposit something on the on the Femex referral link here. Will be, of course, very nice if you're doing so. But yeah, very close to our entry price here, only 0.05 cents away. Also, new 1 hourly candle, of course, for Bitcoin and all these other coins here. So yeah, of course, I will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards. Is there take profit and stop loss for Cardano? Yes, there is a stop loss here. Once we're entering, we'll give you my stop loss here. But take profit will be very insecure because we're opening a swing trade, and I would like to open this trade for a longer period of time here. So that's the reason, because I think the market. Oh, my camera once again. I thought it was going good because the camera was looking so good for a longer period of time. Do you prefer blue light? No, not at all. But I mean, you guys are right now just this you guys are a little bit distracted right now what you are saying and seeing, of course. Thank you so much. Since I'm in the Discord, I learned a lot, and that's very nice to hear, man. I know a lot of people are saying your Discord is truly very valuable, and I mean, I'm of course saying it because I'm the owner of it. I mean, maybe you're saying thinking, okay, he's the owner of it, so that's the reason why he's saying so. But I mean, please, you have to know, I do think that this Discord server, this is a legendary Discord server because this is just a very strong community that we are building, and our community is very strong here. And that's also the reason why I do think it will probably be very strong here. And Cardano right now still a little bit reversing here. Still have to wait a little bit longer here. But I mean, definitely will be very, very good here if we're getting this entry in here, because in my opinion, this is one of a very strong opportunity to open this trade here, especially a swing trade. Very good entry. You can even take this in a lower time frame and maybe trade this still. We are hitting this resistance line once again here. I mean, I do want to get this entry in here. Looking forward to it, of course. But I mean, there are multiple opportunities to open this trade here. Multiple ways to open this trade here. You can maybe also look at a different way here. Maybe you're saying, okay, descending triangle, and you're going to take profits once we're hitting $1.22 here if you're using higher leverage. But I mean, definitely this area will be definitely finding a bounce here. So if we're finding a bounce already, of course, very unfortunate because we missed out here. But I'm not going to rush in anything here. And even if we're going to wait below it, of course, we'll set our stop loss in a second once we're entering the trade here. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out on the channel here. And Bitcoin also reversing a little bit to the downside here, but nothing all to worry about. Nothing, not a lot to worry about in my opinion. We are zoomed in a lot here, so it are only a few digits. Well, I have gains. Bitcoin swapping to ADA cost me 1% to swap. Definitely, ADA will. I mean, in the coming bull market, of course, these alts will perform better than Bitcoin. It's very likely. And oh man, we are very close to the 22.4K subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so. And also, by the way, guys, only 30 likes away from the 800. Just reminding you guys, because a lot of people are just always forget to like the video. So, of course, that would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. Do you have a stop loss on the dot swing trade? For now on, we will keep you guys up to date once we're stepping out of the trade. I definitely want to set a stop loss anytime soon here. But I mean, still, we are, let's say, 7% profit here. And 7% in dollar valuation. And right now, ADA is moving to the downside, so very close to get this ADA price chart in it. And stop loss will be around 15%, so 50% will be a move down here, and it will be a 5% move down. So stop loss will be sitting around the $1.08 here. And also, once we're falling below this, we're not holding up this supportive line here, this supportive box here. So $1.08 here will definitely be the area where we will be looking to set a stop loss here. And we just got filled here. Right away set a stop loss here, by the way, at $1.08 here, and fully it's fully booked here. So let me see, $1.08 here will be let me see. So yeah, definitely looking, once we're hitting $1.08, we will be going out of this trade, and I will just quickly update, keep you guys up to date here. $1.08 stop loss. Let me see. Entry. And we entered the trade, by the way, guys. Very exciting. I'm very glad that we entered it. Just right now, just going to wait here. And still stand behind my point. Because easily move a little bit to the downside, but I'm not scared at all here. I'm not scared at all. I do think this is a legendary trade, guys. And like I told you before, I would like to get some more entries here into Cardano. So I will be looking forward to see where Cardano is heading towards. Of course, these charts are a little bit different because here I'm looking at Binance and the other chart is around Femex. So guys, very exciting that we finally entered this trade here. And Bitcoin, whoa. Bitcoin is dumping. Bitcoin is dumping a little bit here. So of course, nothing to worry about. This is also the reason why ADA is probably following. I mean, Bitcoin is seeing a retracement coming in right now. I'm not worried at all here. Still think that Bitcoin is an uptrend here, and still not feeling very worried about it, and probably can get bought back up very quickly here. As you can see on the previous 1 hourly candles, you can create very quick wicks on the top, on the lower sides here. So I'm not worried at all about Bitcoin. Still think that Bitcoin is an uptrend here. So just going to chill down here for a second here. And ADA, of course, also fighting here, having our stop loss set here. Not worried at all here. Of course, already 5% in the downside. Of course, that's very in the immediate short term not good here. But it is a swing trade that we are opening here. But it is, of course, Bitcoin that is right now reversing, what is pushing this price of these also a little bit lower here. And Cardano is not showing a lot of strength here. But I mean, I will definitely stay in this position. Having our stop loss set here, just going to ride this to new all-time highs, of course, because I still think Grey Box is a very good opportunity to open the position. And also the 1 hourly is coming in oversold territorium. And guys, you have to know always once we're in ADA in oversold territorium, you are getting this very good buying opportunity here. So definitely going to embrace this position with both arms here. Definitely going to. Are we shorting? No, we are not shorting at all. Not shorting. Once we're seeing this clear uptrend getting created, I'm not shorting, man. I mean, shorting will be suicidal. Also, already pretty oversold here on ADA. And no, we're not shorting. Why should I short in a bull market? And especially once this gray box, where I'm already talking about for a longer period of time here, this will definitely hold up here. And of course, depends on how this 1 hourly candle will close here. But yeah, we will be looking to open this position here. Open this position. We already have our position open here. So keep an eye out on the channel. And no, we are definitely not shorting. Bitcoin hitting 42k here now. I don't think it's, of course, if we're doing so, definitely giving us some more opportunities to open a trade here on Bitcoin. But for now on, I'm not looking to open a trade on the. I'm not anticipating a Bitcoin sitting around 42k here. So that's the reason why I'm not thinking that it will happen most likely here. So let's see. Take profit on ADA. We'll keep your eyes up to date because this is a swing trade. I'm planning to hold this open for a longer period of time here because I think the coming 2 to 3 weeks here will be very good for Bitcoin, and also ADA will follow here. So right now, don't have a exact take profit area, but of course we will keep you guys up to date. And if you want to be kept up to date here, you definitely want to join our Discord server as well here, because our strategy, like we told you before, we are trying to enter some more swing trades here because we are anticipating the market will go up and rise a little bit higher here. So that is the reason why we are entering these swing trades. And Bitcoin is seeing a minor drop of approximately $400, but it's not all too much here. But $400, of course, in just a matter of time is very quickly here for Bitcoin, because usually in the past we're sitting around 4k here, you know, and if you then saw a move of $400, that will be a massive move with massive percentages. 88 to $1. Why are people so bearish on ADA here? I'm not feeling bearish at all on ADA. And also for Bitcoin, we're still in this uptrend here in the immediate short term. And maybe this resistance line here can maybe hold us back a little bit here. So we, of course, have to keep an eye out for this resistance line once we're hitting this. But maybe we're going to have another touch of this supportive line here. Will be, of course, very amazing if we can get another touch here and get supported once again here for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin right now still refers to the downside. And this is, of course, dragging Cardano with it. But, I'm not worried. I'm not worried, guys. Oh, sorry. Also have to get a water in a second, guys. And by the way, having 1700 live viewers, absolutely amazing that you guys are tuning in here, and also smashing the 22.4k subscribers. So guys, if you just subscribed to the channel, thank you so much here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel here, and definitely we will ride this journey all together here. And guys, I cannot stress enough about it, because right now you're getting this perfect buying opportunity here, and please make sure to embrace this opportunity with both hands here. Make sure to embrace this opportunity with both hands here. It is crashing. Guys, we're not really crashing here. Please, you're saying wrong, because you're saying a 1 cent drop is a crashing. I'm not worried at all. And this is a swing trade position, and I still stand behind my word. This is a very good entry. This is a very good entry. And you're not getting this every single day here. And of course, it's always nice once you're entering a position and you right away see lift up to the upside. But that's usually not how trading works. I want to explain you one thing here real quickly. Trading has three things here. It's 33% mental state here. You want to know what mentally it's doing. It's 33% patience. So you have to wait. Don't rush. Don't freak out. Don't do anything. You have your stop loss set. You're just going to have your patience. And the other 33% will be technical analysis here. Of course, analysis is also very important. So these three factors are very important once trading here. And well, yeah, like I told you before, patience is also a very important factor that we will be, of course, not breaking here, and also mentally, don't attach your emotions to it. Don't attach your emotions to it. And I mean, I like this very much here because I always say it. Once everyone in the chat is very bearish about Bitcoin, once everyone in the chat is saying, okay, Bitcoin is going to dump here, I will be buying Bitcoin, because once the most amount of people are bearish, you have to be bullish. Once everyone is bearish, you have to be bullish here. And still, people are saying Bitcoin is going to 42K here. And definitely, I'm not anticipating that, to be honest. I'm anticipating that Bitcoin is creating a new uptrend here, and that we are going to see a reversal anytime soon here, guys. So you have to know it. Of course, this is my own opinion here. You always can have your own opinion on the market as well here. It's very good to have your own opinion as well. But I mean, do your own research. But I don't think it's very likely to see Bitcoin going that low here. And I'm just anticipating that Bitcoin is going to set some new all-time highs anytime soon here. Coming 2 weeks will be very, very good here for Bitcoin. Will become very good here for Bitcoin. And DG, thank you for your support of the nation once again here. And you are saying, Dan, when do we enter Bitcoin trades? And thank you for support of the nation once again here, then. But definitely, we will be looking for some more Bitcoin trades, of course, because Bitcoin, I want to get some Bitcoin swing trades entries as well, because still having a lot of Bitcoin, especially on this account here. Let me see. We are right now still having 0.10 Bitcoin here. 0.10, yeah, approximately 0.10 Bitcoin. So do want to get an entry anytime soon here. And definitely, maybe once we're hitting this supportive line, it can definitely be an opportunity here. But I mean, for the trading challenge, I would like to see a more clear opportunity for opening a Bitcoin position, because of course Bitcoin will be traded with, let's say, approximately $5,000 or so. So that will be a very good, a big entry price here. So, guys, of course, I want to open into a position. Not always, you don't want to rush into a position, because if we're opening a position right now, I'm just rushing into a position to just be in a position, and that is not our strategy. That is not our game plan here on the channel. And I mean, almost flipping this Cardano trade into the green here, so that's of course very nice here. So it's a swing trade at position, so nothing to worry about in my opinion. Just going to chill down for a second. But DG, we will be looking for a trade of Bitcoin. We will be looking for a swing trade, especially. Because, yeah, we want to open a swing trade position here, and swing trading will be a very good strategy here for the coming bull run here, in my opinion. I mean, for the coming weeks here, in my opinion. So that is the reason why we will be looking for a swing trade position. But once we're seeing a clear opportunity, yeah, definitely we'll open a position. But right now, I find it too risky to open a position here in the trading challenge, because I feel a little bit responsible here. And definitely, once, of course, once we're going lower, I will consider maybe open a swing trade position here. But right now, it's just not as clear as I want to see. And it's, of course, very likely to see a reversal to the upside here. But I don't see a clear factor here to really open a big position here right now. So once seeing so, definitely opening a position here. And I still, like I told you before, I still believe in myself. I stand behind my word. We are right now in an uptrend here. We broke the downtrend, right now creating a new uptrend here, just like we did in January. Just a steady up climb here. Very nice to see, of course. So, I mean, definitely right now still in it. And guys, by the way, we just smashed through the 800 likes. And 1,700 live viewers, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the stream here. If you just joined into the stream, make sure to smash up the like already. It will be, of course, very amazing. And I will grab some water in a second, by the way. But if you just joined the stream, it will be amazing if you're smashing up the likes here. Let's see if we can reach the 1,000 likes here. It will be, of course, a very amazing goal for the stream. And I will be loving to see it, of course. Where to take profits on ADA, like I told you before, we will keep you guys up to date. It is a swing trade, and we want to enter more swing trades, because I think the market is going up here. And, of course, this is my own decision here, my own opinion on the market, and no financial advice here. And always, once I'm talking about these likes, you guys are smashing it up here. So very nice. Very nice to see here. And yeah, just I believe in Cardano here, so that is the reason why we are opening the swing trade. And I still think, yeah, Cardano can definitely move to $5 here in the coming bull market, and it can go up very, very quickly here. And that's also the reason why we do want to get exposed to this this swing trade. And Cardano already sitting around P3 in the coin market cap here, very close to Binance coin, and of course, yeah, BNB. I mean, BNB and Cardano, BNB and ADA, very nice nice coins here, man. It will perform very strong here. Should I buy Cardano right now? If you're here to accumulate more Cardano, definitely. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? If you want to accumulate more Cardano, definitely right now is the time to maybe yeah, accumulate more here. Should we remove the stop loss and swing for days? I mean, always have a stop loss, in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, definitely looking to swing this for multiple days here and multiple weeks, of course. Multiple weeks will be the strategy what we are looking for. And yeah, if you want to join us as well, you can sign up for our Famex referral link in the description here, or a Bybit referral link, of course. But yeah, if you want to have the exact same digits, yeah, you want to use Famex here because otherwise maybe the numbers can be a little bit different for each other. So yeah, of course you want to be careful with that, and that's the reason why we advise you, of course, no financial advice, but I mean, if you're using also Famex, you have the exact same digits here, and there won't be any mistakes being made, and that's the reason why we are saying it. And also, Famex is listing a lot of coins here, and Famex is right now, you can see Famex is also listing Dogecoin, so we can even day trade on Doge, guys. Of course, on Binance you could already do that, but I mean, very funny that Famex can do it, because I like Famex because it's very user friendly. So of course, very nice. And also trading a lot on Bybit, of course. Don't get me wrong. Also trading a lot of Bybit because I think Bybit is also a very good exchange here, and also having Bybit in my description here, of course. But yeah, right now I prefer playing with Famex here, of course. And also, we flipped our Cardano trade into the green, guys. That's very nice to see, of course. Bitcoin also reversing into the green here. So we are making our first $3, so it's not a lot here. But I mean, holding this on for a long period of time, and then we can be very profitable here, because only trading with very minor margin, because it's a swing trade, of course, but definitely going to hold this on for a longer period of time. And once holding this on for a long period of time, definitely very nice to see here. And Bitcoin, I mean, you can really reverse it. I mean, you can really look at this trend line at a different way here. I mean, if you set it up like this, is even better. But I mean, Bitcoin creating such a big wick to the downside, guys. Bitcoin creating such a wick big to the downside, but still flipping it into the green, guys. This is absolutely insane to see here. This is absolutely insane to see, guys. I mean, very nice to see here. Bitcoin once again flipping into the green, creating this wick on the downside here, showing that Bitcoin is respecting this trend line once again here, guys. And I mean, very exciting to see here. Bitcoin is just always showing a lot of strength here. And I mean, of course, very nice to see. Very nice to see. Okay, going up, subscribed, Roger Bosch, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, because we are growing the channel so quickly here, guys. And if you want to be a part of this family, yeah, you can subscribe right away here to the channel. It will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. I mean, I would love it, and you will also be a part of this journey, because we're going to ride this journey all together. We're going to crush the market all together, and of course, very nice to see. And like I told you before, patience is a second thing here. Patience is a second thing here. And yeah, right now flipping is in 1% here. So just going to write this to the optimize here, of course. And I mean, for now on, well, we can still hit our stop loss. I mean, I'm not saying that we're not going to hit our stop loss here, but I mean, this is just giving us such a good buying opportunity. And also, 1 hourly RSI oversold. I mean, guys, this is just giving you a very good opportunity here, and especially this is great box. I was already talking about this great box for a longer period of time, and put your money where your mouth is. I always want to say that. So that is looking why. It's looking like we are moving on the right way, and yes, definitely we are. And I really need to get an apple in, by the way. I haven't, of course, already eaten one apple here earlier today, but I mean, definitely also want to eat an apple while streaming, because I'm getting a little bit hungry here. So. But of course, definitely going to continue the stream for way longer. Right now, almost live for 2 hours here. Of course, enjoying it. And today I have some more spare time here, and that's the reason why we are also streaming for a little bit longer here. And yes, still 1.7k live viewers, so absolutely amazing that we are seeing this. And I see also a lot of you guys who just joined the stream are right now subscribing. That's also very cool to see. But yeah, Bitcoin doing a pretty strong job here. Bitcoin doing a very strong job here. So I'm going to get some water in a second. And okay, wait guys, I will right now get some water here. So give me 1 second. I'm AFK for, let's say 1 minute or so. I'm very quickly. Give me a second. Told you that I was very quick here. Told you. And I mean, Bitcoin reversed to the upside. Very nice to see here, guys. I got some water. My throat is getting very thirsty. So I'm back again. Sorry. So everything is still working here, so it's pretty nice here to see, of course. Everyone subscribe right now. Teaser, once again. Absolute legend that you're here. And guys, by the way, if you want to know it, you can become member as well right now of the channel, and you're getting some exclusive emojis in the chat here. I mean, if you want to support the channel, you can do it right now here. You can see you're getting this Bitcoin emoji, Ethereum, and Cardano emoji. So, of course, very nice emojis, and we'll add some more emojis later on. So if you want to support the channel on that way, it will be, of course, very nice to see. Yeah, I mean, very exciting times, of course. Always with Ethereum also. Ethereum, of course, in the US dollar variant, very hard to trade right now because Ethereum is just lagging behind here. But yeah, always once a coin is lagging behind you, maybe one could consider getting into this coin, just like Crypto.com was doing. Sorry. Because also still very bullish by Crypto.com. Crypto.com is also lagging behind a little bit here. The ADA $1.15 support line is bulletproof, and yes, it is. It's really a strong support line, so definitely a support that you we can maybe trade maybe on that level for. Oh wait, my camera is once again glitching. So maybe on that level we can trade for let's say 1 to 2 or maybe 1 to 4 hours. But I do think it's a very strong support line, so we're definitely going to hold it, and yeah, we're going to see where the ship will strand, where the ship will end here. That's a Dutch saying. I don't think I can really say that in English. We will see where the ship will end, and I mean, yeah, looking to Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Just going to say this once again here, guys, giving you a very strong opportunity right now. Giving you a very strong opportunity, and I mean, a lot of coins are giving you a very strong opportunity here right now to buy into the to buy into the coin. And do have to get another drink here. I'm so hungry right now. Thank you, Crypto Rover. I know I was not eating even an apple. Okay, I talked about an apple here. So would you buy Cardano right now? If you're holding, definitely buy right now is a very good buying opportunity. If you're planning to hold your Cardano for three months at least, right now is the opportunity that you're getting, man. Or wait a little bit. William, no financial advice, of course. I cannot give you any financial advice. It's not illegal, of course, there on the internet. But definitely it is giving you a very strong opportunity right now. I know, is it this saying? I don't know. I'm sometimes saying some weird stuff here, of course. The ADA is dropping hard. Let me see what ADA is doing here. No, it's not dropping that hard. Still, if you look to the daily candles here, I mean, definitely giving you this very good buying opportunity here. Gray box, guys, $1.50. Of course, we can still trade on this level, like I told you before, maybe for 3 or 4 hours. But in my opinion, reversal is imminent here. Also, RSI is just reversing. I mean, RSI is very low here. Always want to buy at the lows, sell at the highs. So please don't get fooled here. Don't get fooled here. In my opinion, it's giving you a very strong opportunity right now. Especially if you want to buy into it and just going to hold, because yeah, you're just getting a very good sell here. Very good sell. Should I sell Bitcoin? It feels like it's going to fall to 38k here. Don't time the market with your holding position. Don't time the market with your holding position. What is your target for Chainlink this year? Approximately 100 to 200 US dollars. And maybe going to make a special video even later on today after the stream is finished, because tonight I have to head out here. But also I want to make more and more content for you guys, because I'm enjoying to spend my time with you guys, and that's the reason mainly, of course. And I mean, it's really motivating that you guys are all, of course, watching the stream right now and showing your support to the channel here. And also these likes, almost 900 likes, only 14 likes away from it. And it's not really motivating that my camera is freaking out all the time here. But I mean, also Bitcoin, just always very interesting price action once we are live here today. Once again, very exciting price action, because we're trading and support. And you have to know, once trading and support, you're getting these very good buying opportunities. 30k when? I don't think that we're going to see it. I don't think that we are going to see a 30k Bitcoin anytime soon. I don't think that we're ever going to see it. Maybe for the next bottom of the bear market, 30k will be a very likely target. But right now, no, man. Coming 8 months, coming year, definitely no 30k for Bitcoin. $88 $1.50. Let's see. Yes, it's right now trading once again here. So if you still want to get an entry in, yes, yeah, you can definitely still enter here, of course. You can definitely still enter. Of course, trading this on Femex, so make sure to keep an eye out here on the channel here. But yeah, if you want to join this as well here, you can use our referral link right now in the description. You can already set up our account because this is not the first trade that we're going to do live here. Looking for more and more opportunities once we're coming. Once we're coming further and further in time here. So I mean, still feel very bullish about this opportunity right now that you're getting. Of course, the digital Femex are a little bit different. So yeah, we just smashed through the 900 likes here, guys. Thank you so much here. Okay, talk a little bit about Chainlink. Definitely. I can talk about everything, of course, guys. You have to know it. I will talk about everything, of course. We'll talk a little bit about Chainlink here. Just in general, I like Oracle. I mean, I don't really like Oracle networks, but I mean, Chainlink is the #1 Oracle network, so definitely that's the reason why I'm exposed to Chainlink. I do think that the project will be around here for always, at least for the coming 2 years. Chainlink is a very good asset here, but right now getting rejected by the previous support level, just like we saw over here. Once we're dropping, we got rejected as well here. So yeah, you can see right now once again getting this rejection over here. I mean, very bad, of course, but yeah, you're creating a reversal pattern here, creating a higher low here. Of course, this previous low was a wick here, but yeah, you can still count as a low. After that, we reverse to the upside here. Sorry, my stomach. I don't know what my stomach is doing. But I mean, very exciting what we are seeing here for Chainlink. But I mean, getting a rejection from the top line of this gray box here, and after that correction, we went to the downside a little bit. But maybe we can finally find support at this Fibonacci level, because you can see previously this Fibonacci level was acting as resistance, very strong resistance over here, also resistance. But right now, previously we also acted as support. So right now, once we're getting another touch of this $27 level, we can maybe see liftoff once again here for Chainlink, and approximately $28, $27.9. Definitely the level. Definitely the level that you do want to maybe accumulate some more Chainlink here. Because no market is moving in one way here. Once again, you can see market is always moving in waves here. And I mean, once touching this level, definitely maybe we're going to see some kind of this structure, and then touching this gray box, and then see lift off. So still feel very bullish about Chainlink. And you have to know, you want to compare these assets to Bitcoin and Ethereum, just like we are doing with Cardano, because Cardano also looking very strong compared to Bitcoin, and that is also the reason why we are taking partially this trade. And I mean, looking to look at the Chainlink compared to Ethereum, guys. You want to look at the chart, and once again, no one is looking at the chart. Wait, let's flip this to the daily candle. Wait, should we make a trade here? Should we make a tweet? Yeah, I think I want to make a tweet here, guys. I want to make a tweet here because I want to see how much likes we can get on this tweet. It would be, of course, amazing if we can do so. I will save this image here. Let me do this real quickly. I will save this image here. I mean, if you look to the chart here, Chainlink is ready to break out anytime soon here. Chainlink is ready to break out here. Go to Twitter here. Because I quickly want to make the tweet all together with you guys here. Also the new logo here. I mean, I find it a kind of funny logo here as well. So going to adjust this, and then we say Chainlink. Oh wait, let's say #link ready to break out on the link/ADA chart. So guys, if you want to help me out here, you can like this tweet as well here. Yeah, of course, don't feel free to like it. Of course, also very exciting. I find it very funny. I mean, a very interesting tweet, of course. Maybe I'm going to give some more market updates as well here on Twitter. I mean, I like Twitter, and I want to get a little bit more engaged with you guys as well. Around 2,300 live followers. And if you want to tweet this or like this recent tweet here, I mean, would be, of course, very nice if you're doing so. Yeah, very nice, because, of course, we want to create more engagement for the channel here. Already a retweet from someone, so thank you for retweeting this. And no comments, so, of course, if we're getting a comment here, we'll quickly react to your comments. But no one commented. But yeah, I mean, a very nice. If you just look purely at the chart here, guys, If you purely look at the chart here, Chainlink compared to Ethereum, looking very strong to see a breakout anytime soon here. Multiple touches on this horizontal level here. We saw the fake out, also getting rejected by this downward sloping resistance line, but finally broke that line and right now finding support at that line. So, I mean, Chainlink is really ready to blast off once we're breaking this horizontal line here. So, do want to see this breakout anytime soon here, guys. And, I mean, like to retweet it. Oh, that's very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we got a comment here. First comment. Yes, lovely stream. Time to go long. I mean, guys, definitely once we're seeing this breakout, we will open a long position here also on Chainlink here for the training challenge. And you have to know it. We will take every single opportunity here, of course. And also liking you your tweets, of course, here. But guys, once we're seeing this breakout, we do want to take this now already here. We do want to take this on the retest. And in my personal account, I'm already in swing trade on Chainlink, on the Bybit exchange. But yeah, definitely you want to use all these exchange. I mean, there are multiple exchanges because I am trading on multiple different trades. And you cannot do like 2 trades on Cardano on one platform. So that's the reason why I'm using multiple platforms. And that's also the reason why it's good to maybe use Femex here if you're already using Bybit here. But yeah, if you want to use my Bybit referral link as well in the description, you will be helping me out as well. And I mean, definitely going to open a trade here once we're seeing this move out to the upside here and then see this retest coming in here. So definitely keep an eye out. And right now looking at the daily candle. So it can take multiple days here. And also if you look Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, also very interesting. Right now seeing that we are almost breaking this resistance line here would be of course very lovely if we're breaking it. Still a little bit in indecision here. And it depends on how this daily candle will close here, once again here. So Chainlink, of course, ready to see a breakout anytime soon compared to Bitcoin, compared to Ethereum. So, of course, I will be looking out to see this resistance line getting broken. And, guys, we have 32 likes. That's absolutely insane that you guys are all liking this content here. This guy wear lipstick. No, don't say that. It's not true. This is not true. Yes, it's Link, not ADA. Oh. Whoa, what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, Link/ADA. This Link Ethereum. Whoa, man, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I cannot adjust this. I will remove this weight. I will remove this weight. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I was not looking. I was not looking at all. Hashtag Link. Looking for a breakout anytime soon. And a Link Ethereum. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I see it. Also, James Holt, I see you in the chat here. I see it that you're also saying so. I'm sorry. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. So sorry that you all like the tweet recently, and I was not paying any attention of it. So sorry so much. Sorry so much. Sorry so much. Water lipstick? No, it's not lipstick. It's just this. It's just for keeping my lips alive. But just quickly going in the charts, guys, you have to know it. I'm always too excited and always saying some weird stuff here. So please don't be fooled by me. But I mean, yeah, the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart is also a very interesting chart because yeah, you can see the resistance line almost getting broken here. But do we also want to break this resistance line over here because this will also be a very important line that we do want to break here. So Chainlink looking for a breakout anytime soon here, and guys, definitely once we're seeing a breakout, we will be trading this, of course, on the channel. He's got ADA on his mind. Yeah, I mean, ADA is just so deeply in my mind here. ADA is so deeply in my mind here. And yeah, let's see. The channel is also growing so quickly. Let me look at the subscribers count here, guys. Oh, we're very close. Only 30 subscribers away from the 22.5k. So if you haven't already, you can right now join the channel as well here. Yeah, just smashing up the like button will be already mean a lot here. But if you're really interested in the content in the future days here, you can also right now subscribe to the channel. Will be of course very nice. And let's look at the new chart. Yeah, already you guys are absolutely liking the content here. This guy is absolutely fantastic. Check out his YouTube channel. Yeah, you're a legend. And once again, Christian, thank you. Very nice comment. Can't wait to buy this link compared to 88 breakouts. You are messing with me. You're messing with me. Looking at Link compared to Bitcoin, I mean, yeah, this is Link compared to Ethereum, but also looking at Link compared to Bitcoin is also looking strong. Love stream again, thank you so much. So, guys, yeah, you guys are once again very legends here on Twitter. Also growing our Twitter channel. Also, So yeah, very nice if you're following us over there. And I mean, just right now, just doing quickly shout outs as well, etc. I mean, also we'll look at Instagram here in a second. I mean, you can also follow me on Instagram here if you want to do so at CryptoRoverYT here. I see 8 new followers just in the stream probably. So yeah, very nice that you're following me. So, I mean, a big shout out to you guys who are right now recently following me. Big shout out to you guys. So, also did the giveaway over here. So, probably going to do more giveaways here once we're coming further and further into the market and further with the channel here. Once reaching 30K, definitely going to do another giveaway here on the channel. I mean, I want to give some more stuff back to you guys, and I know you guys would like to do me so. Probably you guys would like to get something back as well. And I mean, Bitcoin refers to the upside. Very strong bounce here from Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is right now, once again, 49.4K here. So Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength here, of course, and we would like to see Bitcoin showing a lot of strength because we love Bitcoin. And maybe we're going to see another indecision candle here on this next 1 hourly candle. And I mean, it would be only very good here because just like we did over here, consolidation, and after consolidation, you can see a massive pump here to the upside once again. And maybe this is the new low that we are creating here. So some more 1 hourly candles over here would still be very good here in my opinion. So we were already telling you guys once we're starting the stream, maybe the next 2 to 6 for 1 hourly candles will be very boring, but still we're going to try and be very nice here. Let me know what you guys are having here for me in the chat. I'm just quickly checking it here. Can you check BNB? And definitely I will check BNB, and also we'll add some more BNB emojis as well in a second. Quickly take a drink of my water from my fantastic mug here. And always, once I'm drinking, camera freaking out. So let's see. Can adjust this a little bit more like this, by the way, because you can see here also more touches over here if you make this gray box a little bit bigger here. But yeah, once again, we're looking to this rectangle box here. Definitely looking for a good opportunity to buy into ADA. I say once again ADA. I always say ADA, but definitely once again good opportunity to scale into Binance coin here. So definitely maybe you can consider getting exposed right now if you really want to get exposed here. Soldier Boy in the chat, very cool. You're saying Bad and Bougie, a very nice song, of course. But I mean, yeah, you can see here, multiple touches here on the support line, and you can also see multiple. Yeah, we got also resistance by this gray box here, but once breaking above it, it was acting as support once again. Oh man, someone is spamming here in the chat, and of course you will get blocked right away here because that is not really allowed here. You're not allowed to spam here. So I mean, gray box always holding up his very strong support here, so definitely a good opportunity to maybe scale into some Binance here, in my opinion. So it would be lovely if you are doing so. Of course, no financial advice here, but definitely if you want to get into Binance coin, this is right now once again giving you a very good opportunity to scale into Binance coin. So definitely maybe consider buying into it right now if you really want to get exposed to it, and if you like the Binance Smart Chain, because Binance Smart Chain, of course, a very strong one. And you are laughing, Soldier Boy. I know you're not the real one, but I find it kind of funny, your name, of course. You're a great fan of mine, Jacob Williams, Rover. Jacob Williams, you're also a big friend of mine, and I will remember your name. You guys, you are all OGs here. You are all OGs here in the chat. So buy ADA. I mean, definitely a buying opportunity right now. Definitely a very good buying opportunity. And guys, we're also in the trade still in ADA. $1.50 was our entry price here. And we will write this running all together here, and also we'll keep you guys up to date here what we are doing with the trade here. So of course I will discuss this along the day here. If everyone's still saying ADA here in the chat, please, I will discuss ADA. I will discuss ADA. But just in a second. But BNB here, yeah, BNB giving you a very good buying opportunity right now. Very good buying opportunity. And I mean, ADA is still trading at support. Nothing to worry about. Let me see. Nothing to worry about for ADA. I mean, the ADA well, I will also get this different. What's the day? Let me see. Okay, I just adjusted this my watch list a little bit here for my ADA charts. I mean, now I can switch easily to ADA. Also, ADA compared to Ethereum. Just quickly going to give you my update once again here. I'm an OG tool. Lala1, you're truly an OG, of course. You're truly an OG. I mean, ADA compared to Ethereum, right now seeing a major drop off, of course. So that's indicating Ethereum is performing a little bit better than ADA here. But I mean, still, this is looking very strong here. Of course, finally getting a cool-off period is very likely to see because we're pretty overextended also on ADA. So cooling off for a second won't be bad here at all. But I still think ADA will do pretty well here because, yeah, finally breaking this previous resistance line. Let's see where we are heading towards. But yeah, buying anti-size is, of course, very risky. But yeah, looking for a bounce anytime soon here. But if you look to the daily candles, ADA compared to Bitcoin right now still below this Fibonacci level. And I do want to, of course, see this candle close above this line because otherwise it will be very bearish for the ADA compared to Bitcoin valuation. And yeah, we will have to wait a little bit longer before we are seeing this daily candle close, because if this daily candle close is going to be close below this line here, of course, I will flip a little bit more bearish here. So I will keep an eye out on this chart, of course. Don't freak out here. We will keep an eye out on this. But, I mean, if we're going to close below this, definitely that would be very bad for the price of ADA here. So, definitely a thing that we will keep an eye out for you. Definitely a thing that we will keep an eye out for you here. So Little Blue Elephant with an amazing question once again here. You're saying, for how long have you been trading in the cryptocurrency market? It's approximately, I'm already in this market for 6 years. But of course, I first started as a joke. I first started just buying into it. And then I saw the insane returns. And also started trading and also started doing analysis here. So approximately 2 years I've been a very profitable trader. But already been trading for a longer period of time here. But the thing here is, with trading, I made a lot of mistakes here. But because making mistakes, you are becoming a better trader here. And also just trying to accumulate more and more Bitcoin in general here. Also in the previous bull market, my strategy was to get, my strategy started off with getting 1 Bitcoin here. And of course, very good strategy here to accumulate more Bitcoin, and it was also my strategy. I was buying these stupid altcoins with no fundamentals. Firstly, once I was stepping into the market, I was buying some coins, and I don't know even why I bought them, but of course they give very good returns. I know I bought Redcoin. Probably you guys know it as well here. Right now it's sitting pretty low here. Of course, not having any fundamentals here. But I bought into it for a funny amount, and the returns were insane. The returns were insane. So of course that was my first big step where I made some very good profits, and I was very glad that I got exposed by a friend of me, because he was making he was giving me these very nice digits, of course. So let me see. And of course, bear market trading was very hectical, man. Because first, I had a very good swing trade open in bear market once we are at 4K, but I closed that one. I feel very stupid that I closed that one. I feel very stupid because I could have shielded with that trade right now. But I mean, I feel very unfortunate that I closed that one. But I mean, bear market trading is of course way riskier, and of course in the bear market we also opened short positions, but right now not looking to open any shorts here. Can you look at Polkadot? Definitely, I can look at Polkadot always. I mean, yeah, Polkadot also a little bit falling here to the downside here, so still have to wait where Polkadot is heading towards. But yeah, I mean, great box of support would definitely be another level that you can buy some more Polkadot. And guys, I can see 20 likes before hitting the 1,000 likes in the stream. So if you just joined the stream, if you haven't liked the video already, if you want to support me, make sure to smash up the like. I mean, only 19 likes right now away from the 1,000 like. That would be, of course, very amazing if we can reach it. Ethereum 2.0 not this year. No, probably not. Probably not. It can, of course, maybe they're speeding up the progress. And that's also the reason why I do think that Ethereum will lag behind here, but a lot of DeFi projects are built on Ethereum, so that's pretty unfortunate. And that's also why they are looking to maybe go a little bit off Ethereum, maybe go to Cardano, maybe go to the Polkadot ecosystem, or maybe to the Binance Smart Chain. And oh wait, we just smashed through the 1,000 likes here, guys. So thank you so much for smashing through these likes. 1,034 likes already, guys. When I asked it, already 60 likes above it. So everyone's saying like in the chat, guys. So thank you so much. You're already 70 likes above it since I asked you, and it was just a matter of let's say 10 or 20 seconds here. So guys, you're absolutely insane here. You guys are once again absolutely insane here with smashing up these likes here. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much here. Let me see. And of course, right now live for 2 hours already. Of course, going to continue the live stream for a bit longer here. Of course, looking for some trade opportunities here. Of course, Bitcoin right now finally refers to the upside. So maybe we're going to see a 50k Bitcoin once again live in the stream. That would be, of course, very amazing if we are seeing a 50k Bitcoin right now live in the stream here. I mean, it would be very nice if we can see so. It would be very nice here, man. Everyone's saying Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping here in the chat. And yes, it is right now pumping to the upside here. So, of course, definitely very nice to see Bitcoin increasing in value here. Finally seeing Bitcoin increasing in value here. So, of course, still anticipating this higher low structure here that we are right now creating. So I mean, it's very likely to see Bitcoin reverse anytime soon here. And right now, of course, it's a minor green candle, but do want to see some more follow-throughs, just like these candles over here. And I mean, it would be lovely if we can witness this all together. To see also a break of this this resistance line getting formed here. I mean, it would be very nice if we can see that. It would be very nice if we can see that. And people are saying the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin is looking very good. Let me see who was saying that. Who was saying that? Let me see. CryptoTech. And CryptoTech, I have to agree, the 4-hourly time frame is looking very strong here for Bitcoin. Also, EMA ribbon, getting supported by this EMA ribbon. We wicked to the downside here of the EMA ribbon. But yeah, giving you a long entry price. Yeah, we're flipping this EMA ribbon into the green here once again here. And I mean, the 4-hourly is looking strong here for Bitcoin, creating this new uptrend here. So looking forward to see Bitcoin reverse to the upside here. And maybe we can see a Bitcoin sitting around 63k anytime soon here. I mean, I would love it here. I would love it. So yeah, let's see where we are heading towards for Bitcoin. And I can see only 20 subscribers away from the 22.5k subscribers. So it will be amazing if we can see that, of course. Also, if we can also witness that live in the stream. Will be, of course, very cool if we can see that live in the stream. So let me see. And you can see I can also, right now, because James Halt and Fuzz became members of the channel here, I can right now add more emojis here. So thank you so much for a big shout out to James Hunt and Fuzz here still. Thank you for supporting the channel, becoming a member from the channel. Because yeah, we also want to give something back to you guys. I mean, it's of course still supporting the channel. It's just a supportive donation here, of course. But I mean, if you're doing so, you're getting some extra emojis in the chat, and I find it kind of funny, of course, because cannot add these emojis for free here. How long will it take for Bitcoin to go to 63k here? 63k will definitely, it can be 2 weeks or so. I mean, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, you can see over here, if you look to these 4-hourly candles here, you can see Bitcoin increasing approximately 3,000% here in just a matter of 8 hours. But I mean, Bitcoin, yeah, I mean, it really depends here. I do think 63k can maybe be reached in, let's say 2 weeks, one to 2 weeks here, and Bitcoin can move up very, very quickly here. So also the reason why we are entering swing trades here. And once Bitcoin is doing very well here, these other altcoins will definitely follow here. And also, I'm already in a Bitcoin swing trade position, but I would like to enter another position here on the trading challenge. But in my personal account, I already got a way better entry here. So that is the reason why right now. Buy or not, please don't spam in the chat here. Otherwise, I had answered your question here. But I mean, we are already in the swing trade here for that, so not rushing into anything. But 4-hourly candles still looking very strong here. Good afternoon, Rover. Let's pump this baby, and definitely let's pump it. Let's pump it. Will be amazing. Ethereum moving nicely. Ethereum not really gaining compared to Bitcoin in the last 4-hourly candle. But yeah, Ethereum is still holding up pretty well here. EMA ribbon is right now maybe going to fight against Ethereum. Maybe going to fight against Ethereum. Of course, that would be very bad if we're seeing that. But of course, have to wait and see how this will go, of course. Have to wait and see how this will go. Let me see. Take profits for ADA. Once going higher, we will announce to take profit here, but not looking to take profit anytime soon here because it's a swing trade, and we're trying to swing this for multiple weeks here, and we have to wait and see what the market is doing for the coming weeks, and I cannot give you a clear target what I have right now, so it's very hard to say what the clear target is right now. Green hour close coming soon. Yeah, guys, 12 minutes. We're going to close this 1 hourly candle, by the way. So once again, very nice to see this 1 hourly candle getting closed here. We'll go away from the see my around there. So very nice that we're going to see this 1 hourly candle getting closed here. And guys, once again, quickly go back to this 20-day moving average right now. If I flip this to the daily, and we are right now creating this big wick on the downside here, guys. And I still think if we're going to create this big wick on the downside and we are going higher above this 20-day moving average, guys, that will be insane. That will be insane because then we will be very bullish in my opinion. So it really depends on how this 1 daily candle close here. But if we're going to close above this 20-day moving average, oh damn man, then I will be flipping extremely bullish and I will look for very, very fast opportunities to open a swing trade here for Bitcoin. Because once we're closing above that line here, I mean, yeah, definitely we're looking to continue the trend very quickly to the upside here. And maybe we're going to see some insane candles once again here for Bitcoin. So we will be looking forward, of course, to see Bitcoin gain a lot here in the coming days. And we are anticipating it right now on the channel. So that is the reason why. It will be, of course, very nice if we can see so. It will be very nice, of course, if we can see so. 75k by the summer. I mean, that would be amazing if we can reach 75k by the summer. I think it's very likely to be real with you. Very likely to see 75k be reached by the summer here, and we're also very close by reaching the 22.5k subscribers. I mean, it will be, of course, very amazing if we can reach it. Of course, always very excited once we are reaching these kinds of levels here. I'm always feeling very bullish about it. Bullish about it. I mean, I feel very nice about it. I mean, 6 subscribers away from 22.4k subscribers. But again, guys, I want to tell this find a story about this. I mean, yeah, definitely, it's very likely to see this. To see a wick getting created on the lower side, and then I will be flipping insanely bullish, of course. And also getting a super chat from Lord Vampire. And Lord Vampire, you are saying, hey Rover, with a slight smell. Very nice that you are sending your super chat here, of course. And what you are saying, what do you think about all the NFT tokens? They are going crazy right now. I know Engine and Mana doing very good jobs here. Decentralized, if I say it correctly. Also, NFT token. I mean, NFT tokens are right now performing very strong here. And maybe you want to buy into NFT tokens that are just recently getting launched here, of course. And I mean, yeah, Tether also doing a very good job here. All these NFTs are doing a very good job here. So maybe it is a very good time to step into NFTs here. And they're also performing very strong here. Maybe if you want to buy into some low market cap NFTs, they can probably perform very well as well. But I mean, yeah, they're doing good here, and I think no, they're not going to stop anytime soon here. And Engine Coin, of course, very good coin here. Not bearish on this coin here, but I should be careful once you're seeing such huge increasements in price in just a matter of 7 days here. Of course, you want to buy into coins that are low right now, and not the coins that are pretty high. And maybe the NFT sector is right now very very bullish here, and then you really want to buy into these coins right now. But I mean, yeah, you should play it careful, of course. But maybe you can buy into some very good projects that are still low cap, and then you can still make some very good returns here. So definitely looking for some good returns, of course. But not rushing into anything here. And NFTs, yeah, they probably will do very good here. NFTs will probably do also very good here. At first was the DeFi sector that was exploding, and right now it's NFTs, of course. But DeFi will explode as well here. I know the DeFi sector is not over yet. Low caps. NFT protocol. San Diego is right now saying in the chat, NFT protocol, very good coin here. So maybe you have to check them out. I cannot do my research live in the stream. Otherwise, we will be doing otherwise, we will be doing research the whole stream here, and that's of course not the typical, not our strategy here on the channel. But I mean, yeah. NFTs will probably do very well here, and maybe because the sector is so booming right now, you want to buy in these lower caps here, because these lower caps can still explode here. And I will definitely also look into it, by the way, because I think, of course, we want to make money here. We are, in the end of the day, we are here to make some insane returns here. And low caps can really give you, if you look at good projects, and if they are low cap, they can definitely give you a very good risk to reward setups. So yeah, definitely we'll look into it after the stream, maybe. So yeah. Very cool, of course. And by the way, having 1,121 likes here. Thank you so much here for liking the content once again, guys. 1,700 live viewers, guys. I cannot believe it. You guys are truly sorry. You guys are truly legends. I mean, and heading towards the 50k. Let's see if we're going to see a 50k Bitcoin live in the stream. Will be very amazing if we can see so. 50k Bitcoin live in the stream. And guys, 5 minutes. 5 minutes till we're going to close this 1 hourly candle once again, and 5 minutes till we are going to open a new 1 hourly candle as well here. So I mean, very exciting what we are seeing here, and I would like to see this, of course, play out here for the price of Bitcoin. I would like to see this, yeah, of course, what we're going to see here. Of course, I'm very excited what we're going to see. Very exciting what we're going to see. Very exciting what we are seeing right now. And also quickly want to discuss, let me see, we'll discuss this right now. Thank you. Let me see a Polkadot, because I was getting a very interesting message from a very good viewer, and a very nice viewer, of course. We have this 20-day moving average here on Polkadot, and this 20-day moving average on Polkadot is holding up very strong here, and maybe we're going to see a retracement even to the 33.4 US dollars, and that will be definitely a very good buying opportunity. Already having our swing trade open over here, so the more days that will pass by here, this moving average will move up even more in a slight pace here. So I mean, the more days that will continue, the more likely that the dot is going higher and higher, and this is just holding up as very strong support. So 20-day moving average is a very good buying opportunity. And guys, you have to know, if you're spamming, your answer won't be, your question won't be answered, and the only thing that you're reaching is a block here in the chat. So please don't spam in the chat. How much percentage will Bitcoin drop in the bear market? Let's say 60 to 80%. 60 to 80% or so. It's very likely. Please don't spam in the chat, guys. Mike W and Treaser and STL. Sorry, you are very nice. You guys are very nice. And oh no, right now everyone's saying stop spam. Definitely, if you're spamming, you right away get a ban. So yeah, please don't spam in the chat. You're truly reaching nothing with it. You're absolutely reaching nothing with it. You're only frustrating a lot of people in the chat out here. And Treaser, would you like to become a moderator in the chat? Treaser, would you like to become a moderator in the chat? Let me know in the chat right away. It's very unfortunate that I cannot give away these ranks, by the way, from YouTube. Maybe I will text YouTube after this video, because I would like to give away these ranks, but I think you cannot do it, so that's pretty unfortunate. But I will text them after the stream, because I want to give them away to some people here in the chat. It would be, of course, very amazing if we can see that happen. Mike W, I don't see anything. I don't know what you're talking about. But Treezos, let me know in the chat if you want to become a moderator here. And Tone, also named as €2, and you are saying, okay, look at Bake compared to BNB. Of course I will. And also looking at the chat here, maybe Treesus is saying something here. So definitely I will look at Bake compared to BNB. Treesus is not saying anything yet. So whoa, Bake compared to BNB is absolutely exploding. And of course I will look at the BNB variation, but quickly going to look here at just Bake in general. Bakery token here, it's running around 242 US dollar in the market cap. And also Lord Vampire, once again, donation from you. So we'll check your donation also in a second here. Give me one moment here. So 175 million in market cap right now. But yeah, definitely, this coin is absolutely exploding. Of course, a very nice uptrend that you're right now creating on this coin. I mean, definitely want to use a Fibonacci retracement tool on it, but it's very hard to do so right now, because this coin is just not showing a lot of data. And the only thing that it was doing here is just absolutely going sky high here. So of course, compared to BNB, this coin is looking very strong here, in my opinion. It's of course breaking through all these very important resistance levels, and it's of course creating this stealth uptrend. But I will also look at Bake compared to USD dollar, Bake US dollar, Binance dollar, and Binance dollar. Of course, not a lot of information. We'll go back to. I mean, there's not a lot of information about this coin, man. So very hard to give my thoughts about this coin. But I mean, if I look, oh, my camera just deactivated once again here. So sorry for me. Sorry, I didn't notice. It's way too not way too late. I mean, but I mean, Bay compared to BNB right now forming this uptrend here. Very hard to give my thoughts about this coin. We'll go flip it to this 4-hourly candles, and I mean 4-hourly candles maybe showing a little bit more significance here. Yeah, you can see previous resistance acting as support probably here. You can see we topped out over here, and right now acting as support most likely. So I mean that's very nice to see, and also this previous resistance over here acting as support. So I mean always resistance flipping into support. Very nice to see, of course. And also once you're continuing higher, definitely will look out for this box of above here, and also this box of above here. So definitely some levels that you want to keep an eye out on. But yeah, you're forming this stealth uptrend here. White line, supportive line holding up very strong here. So looking forward where Bake will end here. So Lord Vampire also donated here once again here, and you're saying thank you for all the information. Definitely could get some good profits with NFTs here. Luckily, bought CHS. CHS here. Let me quickly look. It's Shealis doing a very good job here. Let me look at the past days here. And yeah, you are very lucky that you're buying this, because yeah, if you look at the past 2 days here, past 3 days, approximately 150% increase. So you are doing a very good job, Lord Vampire. You're saying for around $300 about a week ago. So you think NFT tokens not going to stop anytime soon here? Of course, once a coin is increasing so quickly here, you want to be careful. You want to consider taking profits anytime soon here. But I mean, for now on, it is looking like NFTs are looking very strong here, and especially once a coin, because right now the hype is starting around these coins, and you're seeing these massive increases in these coins. Of course, it's likely that people will take some profits anytime soon here. But I mean, maybe these low caps can still give you very, very good returns if they have very good projects, just like with the DeFi sector was doing. Because I was buying into these low cap DeFi tokens, and by the way, just opened a new 1 hourly candle. Of course, very exciting. New hour green. At least a lot of people are already saying that in the chat. So also we'll discuss this new 1 hourly candle in a second. But NFTs will probably do very good here in the bull market as well. But I think yeah, the hype is just starting around NFTs. Everyone is just getting started about NFTs. So yeah, they can definitely do very strong here. And yeah, new 1 hourly can. Thanks, mate, but I really appreciate it. But I'm sadly very busy right now. Okay, that's no problem. Let me know, Trezor, if you ever want to become it. Sorry, I was not reading your message earlier. But Trezor, let me know if you ever want to become it. You can always be a moderator in the chat here. So it would be, of course, very nice, because I would like to have some more moderators in the chat here, because sometimes people are spamming, and there are a lot of people that want to become a moderator here in the chat. So let me know if you want to become one, because we will pick out one in a second. So I mean, Bitcoin is just new printed a new 1 hourly candle. For now, it's red here. So let's see how this next 1 hourly candle will go here. And yeah, just quickly, yeah, NFTs probably will do very, very good here. Check the flow. ADA price prediction in March. Very hard to say, and the camera is not. Once I say price prediction, the camera is not liking it. But I mean, price prediction can really different. Can be very important, of course. It's still, yeah. I mean, $2 can be definitely doable here in the month of March. $2 can definitely be doable, to be honest. But yeah, we will have to wait and see how this will go, of course. And by the way, I was not even paying attention here, guys. Gonna be a moderator, Sam. I know you're right away going to become a moderator, Sam, because I know you're very active in the chat here. You're a true legend, Sam Rabbi. So yeah, of course you can be a moderator in the chat here. But I mean, look at the channel, guys. 22.5k subscribers. So thank you so much once again here. You guys are truly legends. And yeah, I mean, thank you for supporting the channel. Already gained so much here in this live stream. I mean, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Robert, I know cam is always doing weird here. Have to get a new cam here. Try to fix it. But $2 can definitely be a target here for Cardano in the coming month here. And guys, I know a lot of people want to become moderator, but once I'm seeing you very true and very supportive in the chat, I will just pick you as a moderator from now on, okay? So Tone, once again here, donate €2.30 here. So thank you for supportive donation once again here. And you're saying bot SXP with the target $4.90 here. What do you think here? Well, Sam, you're a moderator. How do you feel? Definitely we'll look into it. SXP, of course, I will definitely look into it. This coin, of course. What do you think about it? Of course, your target is $4.90 here, and I mean, definitely doable here. First of all, you can see also spotting this reversal once again here, creating a higher low here. It's of course very nice to see some kind of a W structure, and also creating this new uptrend here to the upside. So I mean, just like Ethereum, oh, that's not my meaning. Just like Ethereum, just like Bitcoin is doing in general, you're creating a new uptrend. And this is kind of a stealth uptrend, so this is looking very nice here and fast. Congrats, yeah, of course, congratulations for him, of course. But I mean, SXP here, I mean, not freaking out anything here, but I mean, yeah, of course, $4.90 can definitely be a target for you. I mean, if you look at this chart here, you had multiple very good buying opportunities, and I don't know where you bought it, but I mean, if you bought at these levels around here, definitely good buying opportunity. You can see every time once we're hitting these levels, you were seeing a very nice retracement to the, I mean, a very nice move to the upside here. So, of course, I will be looking forward to see where this coin is heading towards. Very exciting times, of course, also for SXP here. And, yeah, random trading at support. So, definitely, yeah, you can maybe reach the target. But first, have to clear this $2.77 here on this Fibonacci chart. So, do want to see, once we're touching this higher level here, I do want to see a break of this level before really continuing higher. People are saying ADA is down here. I mean, yeah, I see ADA is right now sitting around $1.30. I mean, $1.14 here. Only 4% down here, so I mean, I'm not worried at all here. And the camera, oh man, I'm getting so annoyed. Why is the camera freaking out so hard here? Why is the camera freaking out so hard? But I mean, I'm not worried at all here. I told you before, ADA can just chill around these levels here, and then in the end still make a move to the upside. And also 1 hourly is pretty undervalued here. So yeah, looking for a retracement anytime soon here. And guys, I don't know what I can do with this camera. I literally don't know what I can do with this camera. But guys, you want to buy the fear, and a lot of people are running on fear. And I will be looking to accumulate more and more Cardano. And I mean, right now is really giving you the good, especially if you're accumulating right now, giving you a very good opportunity. And still stand behind my trades, still having our stop loss here. So if we're really going to move down here, we will get stopped out here. But yeah, I mean, like I told you before, patience is very, very important once trading here, and just give it a moment of time. Just like Sam is right now saying here in the chat. By the way, I was just looking at in the chat. Yeah, just give it some time here. Not rushing in anything here, and it's probably going to reverse anytime soon here. So I'm not worried. I know that there will be a reversal anytime soon here. Of course, if Bitcoin is going to dump magnificently, Cardano will most likely follow, but I don't think that Bitcoin will dump here so hard. And by the way, guys, 40 likes away from the 1,200 likes here, and I see we have 1,700 live viewers. So if you just joined into the stream, make sure to smash up the like. It would be, of course, very nice if you can do so. Yeah, let's head towards the 1,200 likes here live in the stream. It will be, of course, very nice. Maybe a loose HDMI. No. It's not for an HDMI. It's just for your USB cable. So don't think so. Don't think so. And also adjusted the USB port just at the start of the stream, and that didn't work, and that clearly did not work here. So that was, of course, very unfortunate. And yeah, Bitcoin, of course. Like I told you before, it's going to be probably very boring hours for Bitcoin. But once Bitcoin is just chilling, you know, once Bitcoin is chilling, probably going to move these altcoins way higher here. Let me see. Oh, guys, almost 1,200 likes here. You guys are amazing. Any thoughts on Elon Musk? I mean, yeah, he's a legend. He's a legend. He's a true legend. Engine, please. And yeah, we were, of course, just watching to Engine, and it was absolutely exploded to the upside. And just want to tell, we were already watching this chart way back ago here, once we were just sitting around these levels around 61 cents here, and we are talking about it, and we told you guys, okay, if we're going to break this line here, definitely this will be the line that you, that we have to break here before continuing higher. So I mean, yeah, I mean, since we broke it, we went higher and higher, and right now, very hard to spot any kind of resistance because we're just going so high here. So James Holt also saying, yo, Crypto Rover, if you are looking for any moderators for the chat here, I would love to help the community. And James Holt, I know you're also a true supporter, so we'll also give you a moderator rank here. Because, yeah, James Holt, I know I can trust you here. And I want to have more moderators in the chat here because sometimes these spammers or these impersonators, I cannot spot them always once doing the live stream. So, James Holt, you're also a moderator here. And I know you're also a true supporter. And I don't know how it is looking if you're moderated because you're also a member of the channel. I don't know how you how it will look like. But yeah, you're also a moderator, of course. But I mean, yeah, Engine is just going higher and higher. Engine is just going higher and higher. And Jordan the Bomb, you're completely right. You're completely right. Thank you for supporting me in the chat here. So yeah, I mean, buying into engine coin right now would be absolutely stupid in my opinion. 4 hourly forming this bearish divergence. 1 hourly also forming a bearish divergence. And JJ, welcome. Welcome, JJ. Welcome, JJ, to the chat here. Oh, look, James Holt, you have right now two emojis. That's kind of funny behind your name. Or emoji, yeah, two emojis. A blue name instead of a green name. So very nice, of course. So yeah, so thank you once again for supporting the channel here, James. AD is finished. No, AD is not done. AD is not done. And of course, you can you can be as bearish as you want here, but this is just my own opinion on the market. That is just my own opinion. Of course, Bitcoin moving a little bit to the downside here right now. What happened to your 5K to 100K challenge? Nothing. We're just going to continue, but right now in a downtrend it's very hard to make some very good trades here. So that's the reason why we are still waiting for this perfect opportunity here to open some more swing trades. So definitely nothing is wrong with the challenge right now. Still looking for more opportunities, but right now not taking a trade till we're seeing the market really reverse to the upside. Because if the market is really showing a clear signal to either direction, it's way easier to trade it, of course. ADA will explode. JJ, you're completely right. Always here and have your back, JJ. Your back, bro. Very nice to hear that. Here, JJ. And JJ also true OG here. True OG. Let me see. If you use 5x, not 20x, I think you would chill with ADA, guys. Yeah, I mean, I have to agree with you, man. We are only using a 4x here. I mean, the high leverage is, of course, very risky, but we're trying to enter a swing trade. So swing trades can go either direction, of course, and you can maybe sip your trade for 2 days in the negative, and then after that, you're going to see a very, very nice increase in price here. And I mean, swing trading, I like to do swing trading with also low leverage here, because then you have zero risk on just sitting on the trade and just leaning backwards. So yeah, definitely, I'm not scared at all. Definitely not scared at all here. Definitely not scared at all. ADS oversold will go up. Yeah, it's also oversold, so probably going to reverse also anytime soon here in the immediate short term. Realistic thoughts on Doge. It's a coin flip, and it can maybe be worth $1 one day, but I mean, you can buy into it as a coin flip, not as an investment. And guys, 3 likes away from the 1200 likes. Let's see if we're going to reach it. Thank you so much for liking the content, everyone. Thank you so much for liking the content. And if you want to take these trades as well, you can use my referral links in the description. Will be, of course, very lovely if you're using them. Will be very lovely if you're using them, of course. I mean, yeah, you will be truly supportive of the channel here, and I can see, yeah, we are just smashing through these likes here. So thank you so much for yeah, leaving these likes here behind. Thank you so much here. Truly legends here on the channel. You guys are all legends here, so I don't know what to say, of course. Always, you guys are always very supportive here. And let me see, also, yeah, we're doing a very good job here. We're doing a very good job. And let me see if the camera is still working. Yeah, the camera is still working. Sometimes I have to check it if the camera is working. So, already live for 2 hours and 43 minutes here. Already live for such a long period of time, so very nice to see you. Oh, and I always want to say the camera is fine. It's flipping out. I don't know. Sometimes it flips out a long period of time. Sometimes it never flips out here. So of course that's pretty weird. Yeah, Bitcoin still going just sideways here. Let me know if you have some questions here in the chat. Let me know if you have some questions in the chat here. Let me know. Buy ADA and hodl. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely, if you're willing to hodl your ADA, right now is once again giving you such a good position to open and hold a position right now. Jordan Bomb, maybe later on, because right now I have 4 active moderators in the chat, but Jordan Bomb, I will keep you in my mind. Jordan Bomb, I will keep you in my mind, okay? Definitely keep you in the mind. So, I mean, ADA guys, definitely if you're holding right now, definitely giving you such a good buying opportunity right now. And I mean, why should you not do it right now? And people are saying buy alcohol to stake. Yeah, you're getting 70% API. So I mean, pretty good, good returns. Very good returns here. Yeah, Bitcoin just this new 1 hourly candle is just probably going to create once again wicks on the lower sides. I mean, we're slowly moving up to the upside, and I would like to see something similar here, just like yourself here. You were creating a wick. I mean, you were creating a move to the downside. Then you hit some indecision here, and maybe we're creating this bottom here, and finally reverse to the upside here. So it will be, of course, very nice to see if we're going to see this same kind of structure. How does Femex use this their automatic stop loss on leverage trade? I never use automatic stop loss. I just always set my own stop loss, and then you will be stopped out once you're hitting the market price of your stop loss. So don't use automatic stop loss. Just set your own stop loss. Don't let the program do it for you, because they're here, of course, to make money. And maybe they're going to wreck you or so. But I mean, Femex is a very good exchange there. To be honest, Femex, very user-friendly. Also, once you have any questions for them, and because maybe something is not clear for you, I had a question as well here. They responded so quickly here. I mean, the service is so good from Femex, and that's also the reason why I'm using Femex, etc. And also for you guys, because if you guys are also using Femex, I mean, there probably will be... to everyone like this. And William also donated BTC dominance going up or down. I feel like alt season might continue. And thank you for your supportive donation, of course. Of course, thank you for your donation here. Yeah, you can see daily candles. A lot of indecision here. A lot of indecision. We're moving either direction here, but right now, if you look to this chart here, yeah, you can see wicks getting created on the top side, wicks getting created on the lower side. But in my opinion, alt season is very near here, and we're going to see these altcoins blast off anytime soon here once again. So let's see what it will do here. But in my opinion, probably going to move down here, and also resistance line probably will hold up the line here. Will push the price lower here of the Bitcoin dominance. Will push the percentage lower here of the Bitcoin dominance. And once the percentage is going lower, you guys all know it, we will see altcoins gain more here. And I mean, already, this was very funny, guys, because this is how we started the channel. We were looking at this descending triangle, and since then we started the channel because we were saying, okay, why is no one saying or no one talking about this chart here? But we were seeing this descending triangle, and since then, at this moment, because we saw also a perfect retest, we opened this this channel, and we told you guys, please look at this, because altcoins are probably going to blast off. And this was at the 16th of January, and of course you all know what happened. The rest is history. Altcoins literally literally took off here. So I mean, yeah, very exciting what we are seeing by then. But I mean, yeah, right now, once again, with the Bitcoin dominance, very important chart to look at. I mean, a lot of indecision. We were pretty low in the RSI, but right now just stabilizing a little bit to the upside. So probably looking to make ourselves ready for another leg down here. But this white line of support will probably hold us up very strong here. So do want to see a break of this support line before flipping insanely bullish here. But yeah, definitely we'll keep an eye out on the Bitcoin dominance. And once breaking this white line here, because you can see this line was holding us back already for a long period of time. But once breaking this line here, this will definitely be the opportunity of your lifetime here to open this position here on these alts. So yeah, guys, definitely we'll keep an eye out on this chart. We will keep you guys up to date what we are doing once we're opening a position, once we're doing anything here. And the Bitcoin dominance will be, of course, a very leading indicator what we will be looking at, guys. ADA is going up, you guys. Don't freak out. ADA will go up anyway, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure to also subscribe to the channel. It would be, of course, very amazing if you are doing so. Would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. And I mean, yeah, definitely we'll also look for trading opportunities for Bitcoin. Of course, we already got today multiple trading opportunities here for Bitcoin. If you just look at Femex here, I mean, yeah, trades are still going pretty well here. But yeah, for Bitcoin, we would like to open a trade because still having 0.1 Bitcoin in it, and I would like to trade my most amount of money with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is just a safer asset to play with, in my opinion. But also, yeah, I want to break this this resistance line here. This resistance box here, because this is, of course, holding us back a little bit here. And, of course, I have to wait and see what we are doing with this box here. But, I mean, this supportive line here to the upside, very strong supportive line here. And, yeah, let's see if we're going to get another touch here. So Farhan also donated here with your super chat. You're donated to £2 here. So thank you so much for supporting the channel here. And you are saying, what do you think of Ren or AVEX for March, bro? And yeah, in general, I know altcoins will do pretty good here. And I will look at Ren here for you, my friend. And very hard to say because I don't really know the exact details about these coins here. And you also want to look at the fundamentals because fundamentals are very important in this coming bull market, in my opinion. So yeah, if you buy coins with good fundamentals, you're probably already set to make some very good gains here. But I mean, that is the reason why I do want to look at some coins with good fundamentals here, in my opinion. And I mean, yeah, creating some kind of a rising wedge here. You're trading between these ranges already for a long period of time. Here we saw a big fake out to the top side. So re-entering this channel and still supporting this support line here. Still respecting the support line, I have to say. So that's of course very good. People are saying Link is going up. Yeah, very nice, man. I see Link also increasing in value and Bitcoin also almost 50k here. So definitely we'll look at Bitcoin as well in a second here. But I mean, Ren, yeah, doing pretty good job here. Ren is showing a lot of indecision here. But you have to wait and see how that will go here. And also, let me see. You were also saying AVEX, so it's very important that you know the fundamentals about these certain coins here, and cannot give you very clear thoughts. But I do think about the fundamentals here because I don't really know these exact coins, and this coin not having a lot of information. But what we can say here is that this level was holding us up as resistance and also holding us up as support. And right now trading below this level, and you can see once again creating a rejection from off this level. So yeah, it's looking like that we are really have to fight back above this level because right now this 32.30 cents here is really the level that is holding us back right now. This is really the level that is holding us back right now here. So yeah, please be careful with trading AVEX. Of course, I don't really know the exact details about this coin like I told you before, but I mean, it was forming some kind of a descending triangle. We have this downward sloping resistance line here. Well, we did broke here, so let's see what we will do here in the immediate short term. By the way, getting very hungry and still have my apple now here. So I always eat my apples once I'm hungry because I am a little bit on my gym life right now. I do want to focus on my yeah, what I'm eating right now. So that's the reason why I'm eating a lot of apples here, because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. You have to know it. You have to know that. The 11th of March crash is it incoming. I mean, we don't have another Corona down here. I mean, it would be lovely if it would be very lovely if we're seeing this crash here, because yeah, we will be buying and accumulating more and more. So always important that you have some cash aside to maybe accumulate more once in need of. So oh, and definitely the camera freaking out, of course. Always sometimes it's freaking out, just don't know why. Let me see. Bitcoin still doing a pretty good job, guys. Of course, very exciting. Let's see if we're still going to see a 50k Bitcoin live in the stream. Will be, of course, very amazing if we can see so. Still need a little bit of an increase of price here to see it, of course. People saying apples in the chat here. Emergency survival apple technology. Very nice. Very nice. So, guys, already live for 3 hours approximately. Very nice. See, and guys, yeah, also make sure to subscribe to the channel here. Would be, of course, very lovely if you're doing so. It would be very lovely if you're doing so. Yeah, I mean, this still the Cardano trade is just going a little bit sideways here, but yeah, we still have to wait a little bit longer here. Patience is very important once you're trading. Patience is the key here, guys. Patience is the key to success. Not rushing into anything. You have to know it. Not our strategy. Not our strategy. So that is also not what we will be doing here live in the stream. Because yeah, rushing into trades will be stupid. And we still have to wait a little bit longer for a clear opportunity that we are probably going to get here live in the stream. I mean, not live in the stream, I'm sorry. We're probably not going to get this... we're probably not going to open a position for Bitcoin live in the stream. I already know it because I don't think we are getting a clear opportunity to open a position live in the stream for Bitcoin. And I do want to go to open it, of course. Are apples good for the lunch? Yes, definitely. I lunch a lot with apples because it's of course pretty lean, and I like to train lean, of course. Link is going up, guys. Okay, definitely. I will look at Link here. Everyone is saying Link in the chat. Oh, Link is increasing in value. Link compared to Bitcoin, of course, increasing. Of course, getting a supportive bounce from this line. Barry also donated here with your super chat. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired also. And you say, can you please look at BNB coin? Definitely, I will look at BNB. Give me just a quick second here because I just promised everyone that was looking at the chain link here. So I mean, yeah, chain link, nice green candle here, heading towards the 29 point. Heading towards the $30 here. So yeah, Link is of course performing pretty strong here. So Link also creating maybe this uptrend here would be of course very nice if we're seeing this uptrend getting created and respected for chain link as well here. I mean, this is not a very clear uptrend to be honest. But I mean, yeah, let's see what Link will do here. I mean, minor pump here, not also much here. But let me see. Perry Black Shell. Will you look at BNB? Yes, I will. Sure, I will look at BNB. So very exciting what we are seeing with BNB right now here, in my opinion. Like I told you before, we touched this gray box here, and you like we were watching this once we are in this red candle over here. Just now we're going. We told you guys, yeah, right now giving you a very good buying opportunity to maybe scale into Binance coin here, and it was also showing. It was not only showing you it, it was also giving you a very good opportunity to really get into Binance coin here. So I mean. Yes, definitely. Right now, once again, giving you a very good opportunity to step into Binance once again. I think it's not too late for now. So yeah, of course, we're looking forward to see Binance, of course, increase even more to the upside here. So let's see where we are heading towards for Binance coin. And I want to remove this real quickly here. And hey, let's see where we're heading towards for Binance coin. But I mean, from my side, it's looking very strong for Binance coin. So let's see what we are heading towards. But I mean, great box, very good buying opportunity, like we told you before in the past, also acting as very strong support. So probably will act as very strong support once again here. So, guys, you have to know, probably going to wrap up the stream anytime soon here. Because yeah, already live for 3 hours here, and yeah, getting a little bit tired already, to be honest. If I'm really honest with you, of course, it requires a lot of energy to do this. So let me see. Still, yeah, Bitcoin is still doing a pretty good, okay job here. So looking forward to it. Looking forward what Bitcoin will do here in the coming days and coming hours here. Let me see. What's the gray box? Gray box is just a support box that we are watching at. So yeah, that's the level that we are watching at. Basically, I cannot say anything more about that level, to be honest. So, what about ADA? Yeah, we are still in our trade, guys, but I'm not freaking out here. Right now showing a green candle finally, and ADA is going to reverse anytime soon here because it's pretty oversold on the 1 hourly. And also, if you look to the trade over here, yeah, we are right now in the green here, but please don't worry because we are in a swing trade because we told you, okay, we entered the swing trade, and swing trades is not a trade that we're going to do here for 1 day here. We're going to sit on it for multiple days here because I think the market is reversing to the upside, and it can definitely push prices like ADA and Cardano and ABA and Chainlink, etc. way higher. It can push these altcoins way higher. So I mean, definitely not going to rush into anything here. I'm not freaking out on anything here. So definitely don't freak out here. And ADA is still going to do a good job here, in my opinion, and going to reverse anytime soon here, guys. Is going to reverse anytime soon here. So of course I will be looking out. I will be looking forward to it where we are heading towards. So let me see. Do you use algorithm programs? No. You're probably talking about YouTube, but no, I'm not doing though. But I mean, which programs are there? I don't even know. ADA support looks respected. Yeah, I mean, ADA support will probably get respected pretty strong here. And yeah, just Bitcoin. Oh wait, I saw it incorrectly. Bitcoin is sitting on 49.6k here, but still in the green here. But I'm going to ride straight for a longer period of time here. Not freaking out anything right now. And if you want to join us as well on these trades, we're doing a training challenge as well here. So if you want to join us, you can use this vamex referral link in the description. You can also use my Bybit referral link in the description. It's so it's depending what you of course want here. So yeah, if you want to join me as well here, you can definitely sign up right now. Will be of course very lovely if you're doing so because vamex is of course a very nice exchange here. Yeah, just if you want to join these trades with the exact same digits, you can join us live here in the stream because tomorrow, of course, new live stream tomorrow, and we will be doing trades as well tomorrow. So I mean, yeah, I'm already looking forward to it. Yeah, if you're having the same here, you can sign up through my link here. You will be getting a $680 in bonus. Depends, of course, on how much you deposit, but. Yeah, if you're signing up through my link, you are helping me. You're helping me supporting the channel completely for free. And, of course, I'm giving these signals completely for free. So that would be, of course, very nice if you're doing so. And also, you're helping yourself. So, yeah, very nice if you're doing so. So, yeah, let's see. And, guys, I want to thank you guys all for watching to this stream here because I'm going to wrap up the stream right away here. And, guys... you have to know tomorrow we will be back with a new live stream here. Thank you so much for tuning in here once again here. And I see a lot of still a lot of questions in the chat here. I would like to go a 24-hour stream. Maybe we can do a 24-hour stream one day here. Once I'm completely free for the 24 hours, I have to drink a lot of energy drinks or coffee. But yeah, maybe we can do it one day here. I see people are saying it right now in the chat here. But thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for all your super chats here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking the video here. And guys, I will see you guys also in the Discord server. Once I'm seeing some very interesting things in the market, definitely will say it, of course. Also, once we're closing this daily candle, I cannot be online by then because I have to be in my bed because tomorrow it's a very early day for me. But guys, I will check you tomorrow once again in the new stream here. Peace out.